Do it. Oh my gosh. What, are you kidding me? Wow. Hello everyone. As you can see, there are 240 Starbucks in Manhattan, and we are going to take a photo in each one of them today. It's 5:30 a.m. on Wall Street. Let's get started. I'm jazzed.
I think they're closed.
We're gonna travel north, and we're gonna be zigzagging east-west as we go. As we've just discovered, first Starbucks opens at 6:30 a.m. The last one closes at midnight. Yes, we are the first customers. Good to see you. I'm Jordan.
I know.
You know?
I'm a photographer too.
Oh! Wow! That's awesome. That's a good omen, right? Okay, buy yourself a reusable cup. Don't get the wasteful kind so you can keep using it over and over again. Here, you have your coffee, okay? Yes, there you go. So the rule is, every time I'm in Starbucks, I've got to drink Starbucks. A lot of Starbucks. Let's do it. On to the next one. By the way, Starbucks is not sponsoring this video. So what that means is that we might get kicked out. As a matter of fact, I did an Instagram poll. How many Starbucks we get kicked out of today? And people took all kinds of guesses, and then I'm giving them something. What am I giving them?
$50.
I think it's a $50 gift certificate or a follow. Woo!
I'd rather $50 than Jordan Matter follow me.
You'd rather $1 than me follow you. Let's go. Second Starbucks, we're already lost. Where is it?
It's right there.
Give me a gorgeous arabesque. What leg goes back?
Left.
And go. We're out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, guys. Starbucks number 2, and we almost got kicked out. This is why we use reusable cups, because all of these, they're just wasted. And then they go into the ocean and they make islands of plastic. Here we go. Recycle. Okay, that is your daily lecture. Let's keep on with our challenge.
I have no sense of direction.
Grace, you're the navigator. Anybody know where we're going?
Sandy.
Sandy. Let's just run somewhere and we will run into a Starbucks. Yes, Caroline's father navigates.
Go across the street.
Isabel, do something good. Let's go, come on. Okay, hold it. Got it, let's get out of here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, sorry, unfortunately we can't be filming or photography in here in Starbucks.
Randy does ballet too. Do you want to show some of your moves?
We're trying to do a shot in every Starbucks in Manhattan in one day.
Oh my goodness.
So, oh yeah, that's perfect, yes, oh boy.
How many more do you have to go?
200.
There's 240 in Manhattan.
I love your
Nice to
work,
meet you
big
guys.
fan. Thanks,
Appreciate it.
congratulations on anything. Okay,
And then we got this one here and this one there.
okay, let's go. Let's go, keep going. Wait, there's a Starbucks right here.
Right there.
There's a Starbucks right there.
Weren't we
Ah,
just there?
let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, sorry. Let's go.
Jordan, you.
Sorry, I forgot the dancer. Let's go. We're doing a YouTube video. You want to be in it? You've seen my channel. Awesome. Thank you very much. What are you going to do? Do you know what you're going to do? Go.
Hi.
That's
Can't
gorgeous.
take
Look
with
at that. That is beautiful. Hold it.
I can't? Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you very much. Hey, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
2.
2 times.
Okay. Come on, what are you doing? Let's go. Another closed store. Filtration issues, and I just ran into some people on the street who wanted to be in a photo.
Hi.
They're on their way to a softball game. Good, good. All right, thank you. Have fun, go get them. Let's go this way.
I'm Rosin, I'm 10 years old, I'm a gymnast, and we're gonna go take a photo.
Let's do it, yeah. Woo! That's so cute. I'll just crop it, I guess. Way to go, Rosalind. That was awesome. All right, let's run to Tribeca. Let's drive to Tribeca.
Yeah, sounds better.
New neighborhood, Tribeca. You know who's in this photo? Boom. Yes, you nailed it.
You cannot do a shooting here.
We got kicked out.
So once we hit this one there, there's like 5 that we can kind of like sneak.
Rocking it. Let's go.
Grace the intern carrying bags and coffee for everyone.
Okay, no. It's this way, guys. Ah! That was cool. Oh, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. Everybody, ride till the...
Bye.
All right, let's shoot. Don't spill my coffee, okay? That was pretty impressive, right? Oh my God, I love you guys. Alex Wong is supposed to be here like any... Hey, everybody, hi. We are in the middle of our Starbucks challenge. Got it, nailed it. Starbucks is tough because it's spotty light. It's like dark and then really bright. It's also like tight and cluttered and... Got it. Ooh, nice catch.
This way?
Yeah.
That was very close to it.
No, it wasn't. That was a total fail. I gotta do some selfies. I've got a meet and greet. You ready? You want your selfies or?
We're here for David. Who are you?
Oh, this isn't for me?
No.
Does anybody want a selfie with me? We're in Chinatown. Let's get out of here. Way to go. This kid can leap. Oh, that one is here. That one hurt here. I don't think I can keep doing these dance moves, guys. Yeah, this is great. Can we do this the rest of the shoot? This is great. Jump, yeah, okay. Oh, wow, I don't even know where to start with how much hurts right now. Excuse me, sir, can you just... Okay.
That was cool. We went to Greenwich Village and we had all these. And...
Look, we gotta kick it out. Let's run. We gotta kick it out. This is too slow. That. Now put that in your... Yes. Richard's waiting. Just like, do something cool in the window. Just go in the window and, I don't know, do something. Make me look good. Okay, go. You're both looking at the phone. Look at the phone. Yes, hold it. This is a very special sip. Okay, don't take that many of them. I think I might have taken too many.
The next clip will be him getting his stomach pumped.
What do I need?
Jordan! Oh God, we need backup. Backup!
Guys, come on, we gotta get to the Starbucks. Let's do it. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, so go in there and read the paper and do something crazy. Good job. Yeah, woo!
The talent. Spectacular. Perfect. Yes. Now I have to do the Jordan dance.
Can we get the confetti sugar cookie? Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Woo. Come on. Yo, this is so fun. Oh wow, I actually got this. Yes. Wow. Keep going. Let's go. All right. Thank you. You guys are gonna do your best. I wanna go over here, I think. Oh, okay. All right, we got this one. Thank you. Have a nice day. We got kicked out. Yeah, we got kicked out. We only have 200 more. Yeah, we got this. Jordan. We have to finish the challenge. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Gosh.
Hudson, thank you for giving me a break. You rocked it, I'm sure. I am rested. I am caffeinated. And we are in front of the reserve. There's only 5 of this in the world. They roast their own beans right here. And right now, we're going to go break some rules. Are you ready? Let's do this. Come on. All right, everyone, we got a new ballerina as a guest star. Good, 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 go. That is so funny. Ballerina at the end of a busy day. Go. That was cool. I just looked up there and they were doing that. I gotta move on. Come on, we gotta move on. Let's go.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
We have all of this up here we still have to do. Oh my God. We are not gonna make 240 at this pace. We have to pick up our pace.
Focus, you're spinning.
We have to pick up our pace. Ah, we're so late.
Wait, we got that one.
This is Johanna. She's awesome. She's joining us next. We are way behind schedule. We're gonna start banging shots out. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, hurry, come on. No more messing around. We're going to Midtown. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, that's not a Starbucks. Let's go. Here we go.
Walking in point shoes since 4 a.m. sucks.
They close at 6:30 on Sundays.
Oh, this is gonna start happening. Okay, we'll shoot outside. Okay. Yes. Okay, good. And let's go, hold it. Good work, okay?
Hello, you're not allowed to do that in the store.
We just got kicked out of our 5th Starbucks. Ballerinas are getting changed. Grace, you're up. Would you let a dancer go behind there and pretend that she's a teller? Okay, this makes up for all the people that kicked us out. Okay, here we go. Nice. Move the thing out, move it to that one. Boom! Oh, that was awesome. Thank you, my man. Oh, yeah.
You guys are the best!
Jorge and Angela have been following our Snapchat journey today. Decided to stop by and say hi. Turns out Jorge has a special skill. So I think we got to do something crazy in Starbucks. You ready? Got it. Thank you so much. Oh!
Wow.
It's awesome. Awesome. Thank you very much. Okay.
Oh my God, hi, I'm so sorry to bother you. I know you're busy. Do you mind if I get a picture with you? I love your work.
No, of course I don't mind at all.
Thank you so much. I do point.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to do a photo real quick?
That would be awesome.
Okay. That was 100% not set up, right? Because that's just too good. So we are running a little bit behind, but we're having fun. All these new cool people keep showing up, so we're gonna put you in the video, okay? Okay. What do you think, America? Next time, Dunkin' Donuts?
Sure.
All over the place, but you know what? Someone's gonna win a photo shoot, and we're gonna keep going until we find out who. Let's do it.
Let's do
Come
it.
on.
Sorry, man, I gotta go.
Dude, you nailed it. Wait, whoa. Who's gonna do navigation?
Yeah.
You're the navigator. What a rush, sorry, excuse me. I think this went around this way. I have a bad feeling about this place. Okay, that's why. All right, come on, let's go. Get high releve. Oh, that's good at acting too, yes. That's all it took. Boom. Way to go. Yeah! Woo! I think there's a Starbucks this way. Come on, let's go. High energy. What Ashley and Richard are about to do was worth waiting all night for. They're not even in here. Guys, they're not even in here. It's like we have an empty Starbucks. Nice, like I want to order that. We gotta see if there's anything still open, man. This is open. This is open! I just found my twin. It's like crazy, right? It's like looking in the mirror. Okay, look. This guy, we just met, awesome acrobat, and now he's gonna do something crazy in Starbucks. I think this is gonna be nuts. Let's do it. Jeez, are you kidding me? That's not it, folks. Wait for it, and go. We've been shooting for 17 hours. This is our last photo of the day, and it might be the craziest. Go. Do it. Oh my gosh. What, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank you for giving us 10 seconds, but we're out of here now. That was insane!
Hey, subscribe to Jordan channel. Make sure you hit that bell, okay? Peace.
All right, everyone, after 17 hours, I'm taking my final sip of coffee. Yeah! I'm going down, I'm going down. Okay. On Instagram, Brody guessed that we would be kicked out of 5 Starbucks, and you were right, so you get a $50 gift certificate to Starbucks. My email's in the description, email me. Also, there's a big winner for a photo shoot with me. Who guessed the right amount of Starbucks that we would hit in one day? It is Griffin. And this kid is awesome. Griffin, I can't wait to photograph you. Once again, email me in the description. Everybody else, that has been epic. 18 hours later, it's a wrap. Thank you guys, yeah! Boom, boom. Today, my daughter Salish reveals everything she does in a day.
Isn't it all gonna be your first boyfriend? Say, I miss you, and send.
But to make it more difficult, it's all in alphabetical order.
Pasta at 9 a.m.?
If she makes it all the way to Z, she gets a very big surprise. Letter A is acai bowl.
Ooh, yay!
We usually have a bunch of acai bowls in there, but today, we don't have it.
Wait, there are none in there.
Yep, you know what you gotta do.
Ugh.
Hurry up, you only have 10 minutes before B.
I'm going as quick as I can. This is way too early. I haven't even showered or brushed my teeth yet.
A lot of you...
You couldn't have made B bath or bedtime. I'm so tired.
It's good to get some workout first thing in the morning.
Ugh, this is way too early for boxing. Knockout hook. Ooh, he's getting stronger. Flip and hook, ready? Flip, hook, good. I'm so tired. It's okay, you got 5 more. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and knockout.
How you feeling?
Tired.
Okay, clothing. You get to get changed.
I have to shower first?
Go get him, Tiger.
That's my thing. Now we have to pick out my outfit. Come on, Sandy. You know the rule. You can't come in my room. Sorry. Okay, guys, let's pick out my outfit. Come on. This is disgusting that I have to get dressed without being clean. So I think I'm gonna wash my face and hopefully no one notices.
Hey, say, is the water running?
No!
Okay.
Oopsies, I think my dad heard it. But at least my face is clean. I still have my Christmas tree up. I love Christmas. I'm not gonna take it down. And my room is kind of dark because I love having my LEDs on. Here's Moomies. Say hi. I love him so much. So this is my closet. It's kind of messy right now. Is that good? Can you see? I don't know what I should wear today. I love these jeans. And these are all from Zara. I love them because they're so comfortable. It usually takes me like 20 minutes to find my outfit for school. This tank top, it's like a berry pink. What else? I don't have that many clothes that fit me right now. I have to go shopping. I'm gonna change and I'll show you guys 2 options. This top with these black leggings and maybe this, I don't know. This is the second outfit. Yeah, I like this outfit, but it's way too cold in a tank top. It's just this purple sweatshirt with like baggy jeans. I think I figured out my outfit. This white tank top, and then black jeans, and then this brown sweatshirt. By the way, does anyone else use a shoelace for the back? I don't like belts. I always use shoelaces. Comment down below if you're the same.
Remember, there is a clue somewhere in this video for a FaceTime with us, but it is buried in a scene, so you gotta watch everything or you're gonna miss it. Nice outfit, little one.
Thanks, what's D?
Da-da-da-da!
Dinner?
Yep.
Dinner at 9 a.m.?
Let's do it. That's Mom's homemade sauce. You're gonna love it.
It's almost certain I'm gonna spill on myself. How do I look, guys? Okay, let's try. It's pretty good, but pasta at 9 a.m.? Interesting. Wait, does this mean I'm not gonna get dinner tonight? Usually I don't feed my dog off the table, but I'm in a desperate situation. I can't eat all this by myself. I cannot eat another bite of dinner. I'm so full.
Here's your extra special dessert.
For E?
Yep.
I can't eat anything else.
You love extra special desserts.
I don't even like dessert.
Extra special.
Dad, it's supposed to be like not frozen.
My bad.
Good thing about having a big brother, he always finishes your leftovers.
Easiest cameo I've ever had.
F is for face. I would have liked to shower first, but it's skincare time. Let me show you what I do. A hair tie. Perfect. I use the Seafoam face wash, and I use a really small amount. I get it wet, I just put it on my face. My mom said that if you rub up, then you will never age, like my dad, but I don't know if it's true. And then I rinse it. When you dry your face, make sure you pat gently. After I wash my face, I use this hydration serum. I just put it on my hand. 1 pump. Spread it evenly on my face. Rub it in. I usually do this every morning, but most mornings I would have showered first. I guess I have to wait for S. These brightening drops just go like this. I think they burn your face. Now I use this moisturizer, half a pump. I either use one of these. This makes me look way more tan. I wear sunscreen all the time, so I'm very pale, so I like to use it. There we go. Last product I use is this skin moisturizer. My lips and on any rip that I have from gymnastics, which is a lot. Perfect!
G is for gymnastics.
Today's my day off, so I'm not going to gymnastics, but I'm gonna practice here. This week is my first competition since regionals last year. I'm really excited, but I never know how it's gonna go. A big part of gymnastics is all the drills we do. In the end, it's just about having fun. Well, I wanna win too. H's hair, sometimes I feel like curling it. I think I'm gonna just brush it. I use this wet brush, and I have a pink one, but I don't know where it went. My hair gets so tangled, look guys. We're gonna be FaceTime one of you, so keep an eye out for the hint. That's it for my hair.
I stands for something Salish does every single day, Instagram.
What? I'm on Instagram, I didn't hear you. If you want to make a good reel, here's what to do. 1, find good light, like this window. 2, pick a trending sound and use it. 3, use a good filter. I have so many saved filters. I like this filter, this filter, this filter, this filter, and this filter. I'm gonna use the filter called I Am Woman. 4, have a lot of fun. 5, invite the cringiest person you know. J is for jumping on the trampoline. And this is what happens when you invite me all over.
I'm really excited for Z because I think it's going to be an awesome surprise.
K is for keeping Boomer clean. He has hair not first, so he has to get a haircut every month. He's gonna look so cute when he comes out. Look at him! She did such a good job! He looks so good! I do my own laundry, but my brother and my dad always let my mom do their laundry. We try to keep our house as clean as possible, but we do have one really messy room. My dad would never want me to show you guys this. 3, 2, 1. There's not even room for a car. I love doing my own laundry. It's so fun and therapeutic. Perfect. And this is for makeup. And look at all the makeup that I have. Okay, I have all these palettes and all of this. And guess what I'm allowed to wear? None of it. My mom and dad think that I'm too young to wear makeup, but I'm 13. Like what? I should be allowed to wear makeup. Comment below if you agree.
And not a big surprise, Nadal.
Okay, what do I do? Snapchat him? What do I say?
How much you miss him?
No,
how you can't
stop
wait
it.
to see
No,
him
no,
again.
no, I'll do this by
Okay.
myself. So I think I'm just gonna send him a picture, what we usually do, of half of my face, and then say, I miss you, and send. There we go. Let's see if he responds. He's definitely not gonna respond. He never does. Oh, he just did. Look at what he looks like.
Obviously, he really misses you because he just responded.
No.
It's okay.
Stop it!
It's no big deal.
Dad!
It's okay that he misses you. Like friends miss each other. It's not a big deal. He misses you. It's fine. This isn't emotional. It's just that he's your friend and you miss him. Ow, oh, jeez. Whoa.
If you saw last week's video, there is no emotion on this channel. I made a second rule. This channel is not allowed to have emotions.
All right, say, you ready to do O? Say. All right, say. What are you doing?
Snapchatting.
Nadal still?
Maybe?
Say, come on, let's keep going.
Nope, gotta finish.
O is for Oreo cookies.
Ooh, my dad thought I was just gonna eat these Oreos, but obviously not. I'm gonna pull a prank on Hudson. I'm gonna take out the cream. I'm trying to like spread it like butter. This is disgusting. I hate mayonnaise. My dad thinks I'm pranking Hudson, but I think I'm actually gonna prank both of them. We're pranking Hudson.
Okay.
Hudson! I have to be able to tell if it's stuffed or double stuffed. You have to cover my eyes. And that's double stuffed.
That's double stuffed.
No, you guys go at the same time.
Okay.
Go down. Go down. Close the eyes. Close.
My eyes are...
Eat it. Eat it.
What is that? I knew there was some. What is it? Is that mayonnaise?
Yeah! Oh! You almost prank him! She's a teenager now. Every time I try to talk to her, this is what's happening. She's still TikToking. Is she even listening to me? This is what it's like being the parent of a teenager. How about you parents out there? You having this experience? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
We're not just going to your local pizza parlor. Today, we are going to the world's biggest pizza party! YouTube star Eric broke a world record this week for the world's largest pizza and threw a big party to celebrate. Pizza! But according to Salish, there was one problem with the pizza.
Pepperoni sauce.
We got her a slice of plain pizza. The letter Q is going to be for Q&A on Instagram, and R for riding bikes. She's going to do them at the same time, but very safely.
How old are you? I just turned 13. How old is your dad?
No, cut! What did you just say?
Nothing.
Salish,
Question?
Salish.
Next question is how tall are you? I am about 4'8".
As my little girl, I don't want you getting any taller.
What is your favorite event on gymnastics?
I'm gonna guess beam.
Beam? Ew.
You're great at beam.
Bars. What's my least favorite event? Floor. There were a bunch of questions about Nidal, so I'll answer this one. Is Nidal gonna be your first boyfriend?
Wait, whoa, what?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hold on, little girl.
Bye.
I'm gonna give you options this time. Starbucks, Sephora, Snapchat, Snuggle with Dad, or showers. Which one do you want? Sephora is really good. You love Starbucks.
I think I'm gonna go shower.
What?
Someone asked me what products I use in the shower. I use this shampoo, this conditioner, this body wash, and this scrub. That's all I use in the shower. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'll see you for TR.
Every time we make a video, we shoot a thumbnail photo.
This is the green screen that we often use for our thumbnails, and look how many things that you could do with it.
It is first thing in the morning, and you're really tired and you have dinner in front of you. When she's done TikToking. Oh, I can't believe I have to eat that first thing in the morning. And go, good, good. And that's how you do a thumbnail. Now you get to choose for you, Ulta or Urban Outfitters. Clothes or makeup and face. You know, she doesn't need makeup.
Ulta. I need more hair products.
5 minutes, we're in Ulta, go ahead.
Dad, I got it.
You're gonna pay for yourself?
Of course.
She's a teenager.
This is my first time here, and I'm so excited to find out what's all the hype about. So come on, I have such tangled and knotted hair, so let's try to find a detangler. I've tried this, it's a 10 brand before, and I really liked it. $21 for this. Oh, I like this section, a bunch of makeup. Okay.
No, we're gonna go away from makeup. No makeup for her.
Should I be allowed to wear makeup? I'm 13.
No, she shouldn't.
I'm 13. Hair masks, I've heard a lot of good things
Say you
about.
got 1 minute, actually. You haven't got any, you have 1 minute.
Wait, okay.
She's gonna panic.
Maybe this. I could get that. I don't know.
This is a good hairdryer.
No. Okay, I'm panicking. Maybe a curling iron, because my curls always fall out. $80. Whoa. I've heard a lot of good things about this one.
Say you have a curling iron.
Yeah, but not
You have
this one.
10
This
seconds.
one's
You have
better.
10
Okay, I'm gonna get it. Well, I liked you. Let's see what V is. We try to volunteer as much as we can, and today we're donating some of my dad's clothes. But he doesn't know it yet. I didn't know my dad liked pink. This could probably be washed. He wears this way too much. He wears it like every single night and day. He's gonna be mad when I tell him it's donated. A referee shirt? No. He only wears black t-shirts, so someone could use these more than he could. Danny, can you help me get these? Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Well, I think that's what we're donating.
Say, did she give away all my clothes again?
W's for what's in my gymnastics backpack. I was hoping for watermelon, but okay. Water bottle. I'm not a Visco girl because I have a hydro flask, but my mom got for me. My phone, Tylenol, because I get headaches like all the time. Lotion because chalk makes my hands so dry. Alcohol because I hate dry lips. Extra face wash because I somehow managed to get chalk all over my face on bars. Sandy, do you like these?
So nice.
Yeah, you do. Extra moisturizer. Next, I have an extra leotard and some pants in case my leotard rips. I have a backup pair of grips because last year I forgot my grips at a competition. So since then, I've always been keeping grips in my backpack. My dad usually plays 80s music on the way to gymnastics.
Don't stop believing.
So I use these AirPods to listen to my own music. This notebook to write down my goals for gymnastics. That's what's in my gymnastics pack. What about you guys? Let me explain how to get a FaceTime with all of my family. And yes, I know you don't spell explain with an X. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what your favorite letter was that we did, and we will pick one of you guys to FaceTime.
You're going to the YMCA, yeah?
You mean to the gym? I'm so tired. It's like 9 p.m. Couldn't we do like yoga? I like exercise, but not twice in one day. This is way too late.
You have fun?
No. I don't know what this does. Usually I do the treadmill, then the stairs, then abs, and then hamstrings, then weights, and then I'm done. I'm almost done, and then I can find out what Z is.
And now the moment we've all been waiting for. The letter Z is zip line.
Really?
A zip line in Las Vegas. I'm gonna take you next week.
That looks so fun!
You get to go over the skyline.
Whoa!
Today, my daughter Salish is going on 5 dates in 24 hours. But of course, there's a twist to it. I've prepared a bunch of challenges to test Kata. Oh!
You know how much you matter to me.
This is so awkward.
Well, I just wanna prove to you that I'm the one for you.
Did you guys kiss on your date?
so I can see if he's the right one to date my little girl or if he's just playing with her feelings.
What's your name?
Casey.
Kato, nice to meet you.
Would you want to hang out sometime, like go on a date?
Oh, I'm like...
Thank you.
If he passes all the tests, I will pay for a dream date wherever they want to go. But the real question is, when he asks her, will she say yes?
Would you like to go out again?
Starting with go-karts. Whoever loses this race has to pay.
What?
Are you ready?
I'm not paying.
Come on.
Let's go.
Whoa, wait. Hands in the first 5 seconds of a date? Oh, this is gonna be a long day for me. Salish and Kato recently went on their first date, and after the date, Kato sent me a very nice text asking if he could take my daughter out again. Oh, here they go, here they go, here they go. So I said, where would you want to take her? And he sent me 5 dates, all of which they're doing today.
Salish, you're going down. You know that, right?
No, you're going down.
Now, I'm gonna guess that Kato is a faster driver than Salish given her history.
Which one's the brake?
She's driven in. But he's gonna have to make a very important decision. Does he win and make Salish pay?
No, I'm winning.
Or does he intentionally lose so that he can pay?
Okay, she is not winning this, bro. Bye!
I do not want to pay.
The first test of Kato is generosity.
Guys, she's losing this. She's paying for this whole thing.
What? Wait a minute, now he's cooking her.
Guys, I just saw Jordan. He does not look happy.
I'm not very good at this anymore.
I thought he was letting her win, but no, now he's just winning. Is he gonna make Salish pay for this date?
I'm winning this. She's paying for this whole thing, bro. This is easy money.
He was driving with his arms back like, this is so easy, I'm cooking her. What, are you kidding me? No, he's taunting. Salish, win! He's taunting you!
This is not my first time racing. I've been doing this since I was like 11. She just crashed. Oh my God.
Kato's always said he's super generous. He pays for everything all the time. He's told me that multiple times. And right now he's about to make Salish pay for the first date. Salish, please beat him. Please. He's taunting you. Don't hit things. All right, I think we're nearing the final lap, and it looks like Kato is going to take it home, and Salish has to pay for this first date. Go.
Oh, thanks. Oh, he let me do it.
Salish, go take the win. Oh, he's counting down. He's not going to be able to win. I think he just gave it to her.
I like being competitive. That's like what I do.
Am I gonna win?
Wait, if he comes back from this, that would be crazy. He gave her a 7-second head start. In the last lap, they're neck and neck. Yeah, little girl. Look, he's closing the gap. Oh, did you see that turn? He just took the lead at the last minute. There is no way.
No, he's winning now.
I told you guys, this is not my first time racing.
Checkered flag, it's all over, and...
No, he won.
Kato won the whole thing. Salish has to pay for the first date. He failed my first test.
I hate Kato.
Not a good look, Kato. Definitely lost that challenge.
That's pretty sad. Thought you were gonna do better than that.
You're pretty sad.
Guys, she lost the race, she lost the bet, now she has to pay.
I hate you.
It's gonna be expensive too.
I have to pay $53. Well, look, I'm saving a whole $3.
Okay, I'm just kidding.
No, Kato.
They're fighting. They're fighting.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I can't let you pay.
No,
I can't let you
Kato.
pay.
Oh, he's paying.
All right, I paid. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, I didn't see that coming. So he won and he paid.
I'll take the receipt, please.
Thank you, Kato.
Of course. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, you're such a good person.
So he proved he's competitive and generous. 2 good qualities. Okay, he passed that challenge and he moves on to the next date.
When I'm 16, people better get off of those roads.
Wait, how was your guys' dinner on Monday?
We went to Din Tai Fung, then we did VR, and then we went to a movie.
What movie?
Weapons.
Bertram is my favorite character. He's so funny.
I feel like Jesse is before your time, though.
No, I watched every single
Jesse is not
episode.
before
I
my
watched
time.
all of it, every day.
They seem really close right now, but let's see what happens later when I put their relationship to the test.
Are you Salish?
Yeah.
I talked to him for a
Yeah,
second.
let's go.
You're Kato, right?
Yes.
I've seen you like all over my TikTok. Would you want to hang out sometime, like go on a date?
Kato, this next challenge is protector. I want to know that you can keep my daughter safe, so I want to find out how hard you can punch the bag. Now, if you can beat me, I will pay for the go-karts.
Deal.
All right, let's do it. Strong handshake, here we go.
Wait. Okay. Straighten out your back.
Oh, yeah. I can't straighten out my back because unlike you, I'm tall. I gotta get low because this thing is low. It's made for guys, under 6 foot. It's fine.
I am 6.
You and Salish are basically the same height, and then it's your hair. All right, ready? Here we go.
Oh.
That was pretty good.
Kato, you have to beat a 763 to prove to me you can protect Salish and for me to pay for the go-karts.
Got it.
Come on, Kato, you got it.
Oh, I feel good about my chances. I feel good about my chance.
Yay! Woo! Good job. He won.
I'm actually happy you won and you passed both challenges. Moving on.
Thank you.
Wow, that was strong, actually. What they don't know is I set up a stranger to come over and flirt with Salish and see how Kato handles it, because I definitely don't want a guy dating my daughter who's jealous.
I hit 800, but I was just taking it easy. I couldn't hit 1,000.
For sure. Like, that's not that hard. Like, easily.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Are you Salish?
Yeah.
Can I talk to you for a
Yeah,
second?
let's go.
Wow, this is so cool. I'm a big fan.
Nice to meet you.
Are you seeing this?
Kato looks a little annoyed right off the bat.
I want to say I thought you were cute.
Thank you.
You have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
I told Salish about this challenge, so she's playing along just to see if Kato's jealous or not.
Dude, can you put it in my phone?
I'm just giving you my snap.
Oh, he just jumped right in there.
It's good, bro. What's your name? What's up, Keaton? Keaton, nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. Pleasure. Here, I can put it in for you. Okay, I added her secret one too. Oh, you did? Yeah. Appreciate it. Can I get a picture with you too? My sister's a big fan. I got you. Let's do it. All right. You have a good one, bro. Thank you. You too. Stay safe. Yeah, nice to meet you. Safe.
Nice to meet you.
Let's go. He did not get her snap.
I think Kato handled that really well. He was nice to the boy, but he also made sure everybody knew Salish was protected. So it just happened.
Some boy tried to get her snap.
Oh, and did he get it?
No, I gave him my snap, and he thought it was hers.
I like it. Let's move on next date.
Okay.
Nothing weird about this. Salish, Kate, we're actually you can separate.
Okay, what's happening?
Nothing.
No, you said what's up? You like those plants, bro?
I like them. My favorite flowers are white roses. Look.
I thought you liked tulips.
Kato, look at me. I really like that flower, okay? Oh, thank you. Like, this is my favorite flower. What's my favorite flower?
White roses.
Good job.
Salish is telling Kato all kinds of things about herself. What he doesn't know is that he's going to be quizzed on all of it later. What is this? What is this? We're setting up a shot, and I look over, and they're just...
We were talking about a car that
No,
was
that's
down
not the part I'm talking about, Kato. I'm talking about the arm thing.
I need a kid. I want kids right now.
I want kids so bad. How many kids do you want? You want 2 or 3?
2.
I want 5.
5.
5 or 6. No.
6, 7.
All right, for the next date is Top Golf. I'm going to be measuring your honesty. Whoever hits it further that round gets to ask the other person a question. Kato, why don't you go first? I'm using golf to test 2 things for Kato. Number 1, does he have a sense of humor about himself? Because I know he's not any good at golf, but now he's going to show millions of people he has a terrible golf swing. Is that going to embarrass him, or is he going to laugh about it? Are you embarrassed to do this, or are you good?
A little, but I think it's fun.
This is testing their truthfulness with each other. Is Kato willing to ask her hard questions, Salish willing to answer them, and vice versa?
All right, Kato, you can go first.
How do you do this? Colin, I don't know how to do this.
Go like this. You just go like that, and then you go like that.
I throw myself out into the golf club.
No, you got it. Come on, lock in. Kato, that's cheating.
I lost that one.
Okay, huh.
No.
Oh, Salish, if you don't hit it that far, he gets to ask you a question.
I didn't think I would hit it that good.
Okay, ask me your question.
Okay, did you ever like Nadal?
Yeah, I liked him like probably when I was like 10, I think. Like the first time I met him, I liked him, and then like, I don't know.
Now it's my turn again?
Come on, you got it, Kato. Boo. Oh.
26 yards, say.
I got that, easy.
0 yards.
You did that 100 times.
That was just practice.
I made it to the red one.
Did you have fun on our first date?
Obviously, I had fun or I wouldn't be here, Kato.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
My turn.
Oh, that was actually kind of a vulnerable question. What if she said no?
No, what the heck? Why did you turn good?
Okay, your turn. You have to hit it all the way to the green.
Okay, we'll start thinking about another question, Kato.
Okay.
All right, what's the question?
If we were to go on another date, where would you want to go?
Well, I don't know if I want to go on another date with you.
Oh, okay.
I'll tell you at the end of the day.
Okay, deal. Based on what happened today, would you like to go out again? Nope, that sucked. Do it again.
Yes, I might win. No.
No, we do it again.
Back up, Kato.
You gotta say, oh! And right in the center of the bullseye, that means she gets to ask you 2 questions.
Oh, really?
Wait, what?
How many girls have you kissed?
Honestly, 2.
That's it?
You make it, that's it?
No. Yeah.
I can lie and say more. Okay, next question, please.
So you have to say who the better kisser was, but you can only say the first girl or the second girl.
Oh, second girl.
Wait. Hold on. You said you've dated 1 girl and you've kissed 2 girls and you went on a date with Salish. So I'm gonna ask you this one truthful question. Did you guys kiss on your date?
You don't kiss
Okay,
on
next.
the first date.
We're going to the next thing.
We're about to do the next challenge, but first, while I'm talking to them, I'm gonna send Moo and Boomer in to see if Kato likes her dogs. Because of course, if you're gonna date Salish, you gotta also like her dogs. Good job, Moo. Who's your good boy? Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, we're gonna move on. You passed that challenge without even realizing it. I sent both dogs in to see how you liked her dogs. Because if you're gonna date Salish, you gotta actually love her dogs. And Moo and Boomer both loved Kato, which is a really good sign because dogs are a great judge of character. You two are about to go on a dinner date, but before you do, you have to get ready. This next challenge is to test your trust of Salish.
What does that mean?
Salish will have the opportunity to dress you however she wants for this date.
Is that what this is
That's
for?
what this stuff is here. You could choose to make Kato look super good with a nice outfit that's there or silly.
I don't trust Salish with this one.
Hey!
Also, if Salish chooses, she can do your skincare with her brand new Sincerely Yours Skin Light exclusively at Sephora.
Now that I trust her with.
Your skin will only look good if you use it. Like, look at this skin. Look at that. Come on. Show
Okay,
a filter.
don't
Show a 20-year-old
don't use an example of your skin. They will buy it.
All right, I'm gonna let you two do this. Have fun. We all know that Salish is a prankster, so I'm super excited to see exactly what she does to him. What kind of makeup, what outfit. This is gonna be funny.
Wait, what is that?
Moisturizer. Next is the spray. Ew, why do you eat it?
Why are you putting sunscreen on my face? We're not even going outside.
It's like actually good for your skin, and Sincerely Yours is the best skincare.
Well, I can't argue with that.
By the way, guys, you can get all of my Sincerely Yours skincare exclusively at Sephora, and it's in store right now. So go get it right now. Like, leave and go get it right now. Actually, maybe finish the video and then you can go. I'll give you the most natural blush.
I don't think guys are supposed to wear blush.
Okay, but this is a natural
Just to
color,
let you know,
so
there
it's-
are guys watching this video. And my friends too. Okay, so Salish, do you do this every single morning?
Like almost every single morning.
Is that why you look so good when we call?
Thank you. Like the lip liner twins.
Okay. Wait, what do I have to do? Just keep my lips normal.
Just don't move them. Oh, this one's dark. You're just gonna get cat chapstick now. It tastes good. Why do you put your lips like that when I put chapstick on? You're like just put them normal. Last step.
Oh, that tastes sweet. Okay, I think that's enough.
I like Kato. I really do. He's a nice kid. But liking Kato and being Team Kalish are two totally different things. I'm not on Team Kalish yet.
Two of my friends thought your name was Kalish.
Oh my god.
They always text me and they're like, how's Kalish? And I'm like, that's not his name.
Why are you talking about me to your friends?
I'm not, but they see you on TikTok. They
Sure.
These challenges are gonna get way more embarrassing for Kato and a lot more difficult.
Green eyes got me falling tonight.
That was the scariest thing that ever happened to me.
You guys have been so incredibly supportive of Sincerely Yours since we launched 2 weeks ago that it is already sold out at Sephora.com, which is insanity. So if you want to shop online, scan this QR code to shop directly at sincerely-yours.com. Or you could just buy it at your local Sephora. Thank you so much.
Next thing, Kato, we're gonna pick you out an outfit.
Do we think Salish is gonna make Kato look ridiculous to go to the restaurant, or do you think she's gonna make him look good? That's the big question, but he's trusting her either way.
You can wear this outfit.
Actually?
Yeah. All right, I got you these pants. They're black pants. I got this tank top from H&M. I got this jacket from H&M. And he is a size medium. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, okay. That looks pretty good. I styled you well, and I gave you good makeup.
Good job.
So you're welcome. I guess I trust you, so you can pick my outfit.
Here you go.
No, I'm
just
not
kidding.
wearing that.
I like this one.
I'll wear that one.
No, wear this one.
I know that Jordan's really worried, but I trust Salish, and really, Kato is such a nice guy. Like, I think he's a really good one.
Salish, Kato, you ready for date number 3? Come on down. I cannot wait to see what she put him in. This is gonna be funny. Wait, what? You made him look good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was a lot of work.
He looks great. Wow, I thought this was gonna be different. You guys look too good.
Thank you.
You trusted her and she did this anyway.
Yeah, that looked good.
This is just... The next date is the Tin Roof Bistro. They're going to dinner. The only thing is, there's a series of things I would expect a young man to do if he's dating my daughter at dinner. Number 1, does he open the door for her?
Thank you.
I guess so, but there's a bunch more. The first test was to open the door for Salish, which he did, and the second test was to let her sit first, which he did.
What are you gonna get?
I'll get whatever you get.
Whatever I get, you're not gonna like what I get.
I'm watching to see if Kato can pass all of these tests of good manners on his dinner date with Salish. If he gets 3 strikes, then he fails this test and the date is over. Don't put your elbows on the table. Kato, so you like just keeping your elbows on the table. You just got an X. If you get 3 X's in this, we're not going on to the next date. I was a server for 15 years, and the worst thing is when a young man is dating a woman and he tries to show off by being rude to the server. I want to make sure that Kato is not that kind of guy.
May I please have the local green?
Looks like he's letting her order first. Another green check mark.
I'll have the Fearless Caesar, please, with extra dressing. Yes, ma'am, thank you.
He's being super nice to the server, so that is definitely a green check mark.
Thank you so much. Having good manners, impeccable hygiene.
No. Kato, you're on your phone at dinner?
I'm looking up the manners.
Shouldn't you already know them? 2 X's, 2 X's.
No, wait, Jordan.
It's cold, right?
Your hands are you cold?
No. Oh, I mean, yeah, I am cold.
You want my jacket?
Kato,
Yeah.
who told you to wear a tank top to dinner? Tank top from H&M.
He's been taught well. I gotta give it to his parents or whoever taught him, because he's a gentleman. Check.
You wanna freak your dad out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's share a drink. Wait, let's make sure he's watching.
They're drinking out of the same glass. You're sharing a drink?
Yeah.
You have your own drink, buddy.
That was our straw, thanks.
Throughout these dates, Salish has been casually saying random things, and at the end of the day, I'm gonna test Kato to see if he remembers all of them and prove that he's a good listener.
What the frick is that?
Wait, is he about to kiss her? Oh. You can sit over here. You don't need to sit that close, okay? Okay. You don't need to sit that close. All right, good. They both got their salads. Neither of them have taken a bite, but if Kato takes a bite before Salish, that's very bad manners. He gets his 3rd X, and I am not paying for Dream Date.
Are you gonna eat yet?
I was just waiting for you to eat.
Okay, he knew to let her eat first. Another check. 1 more left. Here, I really hope Kato eats with his mouth closed. You cannot be nom nom.
So I was talking.
No! You just talk with your mouth open with your food in it.
Kato!
No, I didn't.
Oh my God, that's the 3rd X. Kato just got 3 strikes, which means the date should be over, but it looks like Salish is having a lot of fun. Okay, they just dropped the check. I'm gonna give him 1 more chance. He has 3 X's. If he pays the bill, I'm gonna call it a wash. We go to the next date.
No, never let a lady pay for the dinner. I like this.
Remember, if Kato passes all of my challenges, I will give him my credit card and they can go on a dream date wherever they want if Salish agrees to go on that date. I said, if you got 3 strikes, that we were not gonna continue on with this, no more dates. And you got 3 strikes. But then you offered to pay for dinner and I can see that Salish is happy, so I'm giving you a pass this one time. But I promise you, if you fail the next challenge, this is over, no dream date for you.
I'll give you the hug Salish never gave you.
For the next date, we're at the Gardena Cinema, and the challenge is gonna be, do you have a sense of humor about yourselves? But first, you might wanna get some popcorn or candy, whatever you want.
May I please have Milk Duds? I always get them. Thank you.
Here you go.
Have my phone. No. Oh.
That's.
Oh, and he paid.
Oh, he's not there.
Oh!
Is that little Kato?
No, goodbye.
Kato, come on. I don't want to watch a movie by myself.
No, I'm good. We'll watch it.
Kato is about to watch a bunch of cringy clips of himself.
Holy moly, I never thought I was this cringe.
And then you always lick your lips. You were like,
I didn't. Oh, I did actually. Oh,
you're like, I wish I could go back.
bravo.
Oh my gosh, you're just picking the worst clip.
Which way should I go?
Oh my god. This is actually fun to film, but oh my gosh, this is not happening. Somebody slap me.
So we're finding out if Kato has a sense of humor about himself.
No, you can't put this on there. Oh,
All right, so Kato's able to laugh at himself, but does he want to be done, or will he take more to save Salish? You have a choice to make. You can either continue to watch more cringe stuff of Salish that will embarrass her, or we won't play any more awkward Salish moments, and instead we'll watch more of your cringe moments.
You can pick me, but like that's gonna be embarrassing. But
We'll just do more videos of me.
wait,
Are you
really?
sure?
Yeah, I've already embarrassed myself enough.
Oh,
It can't get worse
thank you,
than that.
Kato.
That was the test. You don't have to watch any more cringe of yourself.
We didn't have to watch that?
You have to watch that, but you don't have to watch another round of it. Last decision. Do you want to watch more Kato cringe or a movie?
Movie.
Kato. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be a movie.
They're gonna watch a movie, and when that's done, we're gonna go next and final date. And if you pass those challenges, you get to go on a dream date by yourselves. It's a super scary movie, and I wanna make sure Kato is good with scary movies because Salish loves them.
Oh, I know this scene.
Hello?
I love this part.
Want to some scary movie?
Oh! Oh!
You good? Nope. Okay, come here.
And he's making sure she's good.
Don't watch. Actually, watch.
They handled it. We're gonna go on to the final date. The final date is a beach date, but to get to the location of your date, you've got to use this tandem bike to show that you can do teamwork.
We could do that.
Yeah, we got that.
I want to make sure Kato keeps Salish safe, so there's 2 helmets there, and he better suggest they wear them.
Oh wait, suggest to wear helmet.
Yeah, no, that.
Did you hear me say that thing about a helmet?
No? Bro, if my mom found out I didn't wear a helmet.
Okay, I will meet you guys at the pier. If you make it there, that means you did it with teamwork.
Okay, you ready?
I can't see what's in front of us though, Kato.
It's okay. Just keep pedaling. You wanna go super fast?
Sure.
Vroom, vroom.
You're about to drive onto the gas. How can we go back to being friends when we just shared a bed?
So are you having fun so far on the dates?
So much fun.
Yeah, keep up.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, having fun because you're here.
Left, right, left, right. Ha.
Good. Well, you passed the teamwork test. The next test is, are you a good listener?
Whoa, what do you mean? Oh, wait, whoa.
Salish has been planting some seeds for you, and we're about to find out how good a listener you are.
I get it. Oh my gosh, it clicked. It all clicked.
Let's go down the beach.
What Kato doesn't know is that this girl is actually his next challenge, and she's waiting for my signal.
All right, Kato, so throughout the dates that you've been on, Salish has been saying some stuff to you that you probably didn't know. And I'm about to ask and see if you listened enough to remember them, because they were just throwaway things.
Okay.
And if you didn't remember everything, we're done.
No, how is that even close to fair?
She was your date all day. You gotta be a good listener. You wanna date my little girl. Okay, ready? What does Salish always get for a movie?
Milk duds.
I always get them.
Okay, what is Salish's favorite childhood TV show? Kato.
We were talking about it with Jake. Remember when we were sitting on the steps at F1? I watched every single
Jesse is
episode.
now before
I
my
watched
time.
all of it. And we were talking about his middle name.
Why are you giving him so many
Oh,
hints?
Bertram. Oh, Jesse.
Does that count? I'm gonna maybe send you off.
No.
Okay, ready?
No. Okay.
How many kids does Salish want?
Oh, 6 or 7.
Hey, why did you remember that one
Because
so
it was
well?
6, 7.
I want 5. No, probably actually 6.
6, 7.
What are the 4 products of Salish's skincare? Sincerely yours.
Serum, sunscreen. She used a moisturizer. She used like this the cleaning thing.
Cleanser.
Face cleanser. Face
Okay,
cleanser.
You got
okay.
it.
Go get yourself some
Very soft,
Sincerely Yours at Sephora. What is Salish's go-to meal? You asked her when she was looking at the menu.
Salad.
May I please have the local green?
Wait. No.
I texted you a picture of it like a
Rice. Oh, white rice.
This okay? No, all right, I've got one more question for you. Salish, go. Just leave.
Okay.
One last question that you have to get to go on to the next challenge. It's about how well you remember your first date with Salish.
Why did they make me leave? leave. What are they talking about?
It was the first date. You've been asking to go out with her for a long time. What was Salish wearing on your first date?
She was wearing jeans.
Okay.
And
this is big.
It was a blue tank top with 2 white stripes on the side and the number 14.
You took a photo of her.
Yeah.
Let's pull it up and see if you were right.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, you got it exactly right. The number, you got the number, you got the color, you got the style of shirt. Okay, that is super impressive, actually. There's one final challenge. This is not gonna be easy. Okay, I'm gonna go get Salish. You just chill.
Do I stay here?
Yeah, you can stay here because we're gonna come back and do it here. I'm sorry I did this, but I had Kato wait on the beach and I just set him up with a girl that's gonna go flirt with him.
Okay, I don't care.
Hey, excuse me, you're Kato, right?
Yes.
I've seen you like all over my TikTok. It's nice to meet you, I guess. I'm Casey. It's nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Casey.
Kato, nice to meet you.
I know this sounds weird and like I'm just now seeing you, but like, would you want to hang out sometime? Like go on a date?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm super sorry. I don't want to sound rude. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I totally get it.
No. It's a pleasure to meet you, though.
It's nice to meet you,
nice
too.
Nice to meet you. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you.
I'm sorry about
You're
that.
good. Thank you.
Hi.
What happened?
He was really polite. Like, he was like super polite, but he declined.
Okay, good to know. Thank you.
Thank you
Appreciate
so
it. Thank you
much.
for trying.
Thanks.
Kato, you can come up.
I thought you guys left.
That was a setup.
Oh.
What did you say?
I was like, sorry, no. Hope you have a great day. And then she left.
Aw.
So now we just found out that he's loyal, he can do teamwork. He's a pretty good listener, but you were helping him with it.
What was the last question?
What were you wearing on your first date together?
What was I wearing?
Jeans and a blue tank top with a number 14 and 2 stripes on the side.
I didn't even remember that.
If you are willing to do this last challenge, then I will make my final decision at the end. You released a song recently.
I can't lie. Those green eyes got me falling tonight.
And you didn't say who you were thinking of in that song, so I would like you to tell us right now, who was the song about?
Honestly?
Yeah.
Truthfully?
Yes.
Not lying?
No.
Salish.
So you recorded a song for Salish, but you've never sung it to her, have you?
Mm-mm.
Would you like that opportunity right now?
I don't play guitar.
I thought you might say that, so don't worry, we already have one. I want to introduce everybody to somebody. This is my Uncle Buzz. Uncle Buzz is not just a professional guitarist, he is one of the greatest guitarists that's ever lived. He's amazing. If you have confidence in yourself, you'll do it publicly, not just in a studio.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
You might want to stick around for this last moment, because wow, this is gonna be something.
We got this, Buzz.
It's so awkward.
Yeah, this is awkward.
I can't do this.
This is awkward, but it's proving a lot
And
about.
there's so many people watching.
There's people watching that. Listen, this is saying a lot about Kato. He's got a lot of courage to do this. He's got a lot of confidence. I'm very impressed he's doing this. I'll be over here.
I'll be over here too.
Okay, you ready?
I can't lie. Those green eyes got me falling tonight. That white smile got me losing my mind.
He's got some guts.
I can't wait to be with you. I just wanna hold you, sweet thing. Just walk my way, and I'm hoping that you'll stay. Cause if not, I might be shattered. You know how much you matter to me. You're on replay, in the back of my mind all day. I don't wanna lose you. I just wanna prove to you that I'm the one for you, baby, cause I'm the one for you.
You good? All right.
Even though Kato was really nervous to sing his song, he was more concerned about how Salish was feeling.
You good?
Good job. That was really good.
That was awesome.
Okay, now there's a lot of people watching us.
Kato, I think you passed all of the challenges. It's been an incredible day, actually. You've done every challenge. It's been really great to get to know you better. And so now I have something important to say. Buzz, cue some emotional music. Thank you. This is the first time I will have ever done this. I am excited for you to take my daughter Salish out on a second date.
Actually?
Yes. I said I would give you my credit card. You can take her wherever you want with this, but first you have to get her to say yes. So it's her decision at the end if you guys go out on another date. So why don't you go for a walk and see what she says.
Did you actually enjoy that, or was that embarrassing? Be honest.
No, it was like you were good at it. But it was embarrassing because people were looking at me. And there was a lot of people.
Your hair does smell good.
Does it actually?
Yeah.
I don't know what's in it. I'm talking about
in it. I have a feeling I know what her answer is going to be.
So, your dad gave me his credit card, which I still have. By the way,
You're
just
gonna
here.
keep it?
So, based on what happened today, would you like to go out again?
Yeah.
Like for us, aside from like YouTube and all that?
Yeah.
Salish said yes, and they're going to go on another date, but we are going to leave that to them privately, and we're not going to share it on YouTube, but they had a great time. They were beautiful together, and we'll see you next week. I am in the hallway of Rye High School to see how many awesome shots I can get in 10 minutes for the 10-minute photo challenge. Today we're going to do something a little different with the music. We're playing it live with Mr. Ken Lauber. Yeah, man, our ballerina today is Lily. All right, so here's the deal. Rye High School has given us permission to be here, but they have absolutely no idea what I'm about to do. When the alarm between classes goes off, that's when we start the 10 minutes. Until then, we wait. And wait. And wait. 2 minutes. I'm starting to freak out. We just wait. It's a long 2 minutes. Any second. Okay, here we go. Hallway, right here. Can you guys just mill around? Can you just mill around like your students milling around? There's not enough of them. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Here, come over here, quick, quick, quick. Good, right there, perfect. Go. Good, perfect. Oh my God, that was great. One more. God, you're just rocking it right away, bam. You guys are best friends, okay? And she's whispering something to you. Is that cool? Can you just come in here? Thank you, okay. Other hand whisper. Arabesque, go. A bunch of you, come over here. Go stand over here, like this. And you guys are gossiping about them, okay? Okay. Wow, that's nuts right there. Yes, one more, do it again. Good work. Great, let's get out of here. This is madness. What is up? Okay. Okay, let's go. We're going to cafeteria. Two of these. I need people to sit here. Will people sit here? What are you gonna do? I want you to pour that on your face. All right, here. Yeah, get up here. Okay, here, hold that. Time. 6:20. Okay, whoa, you're really high. Okay, wait. Nobody look at me. Oh, look at her, just look around in life. Okay, ready, set, go. Yes, one more. Where's the other salad? Go again. We will clean this up. Okay, ready, set, go. Yes, that was awesome. Good, come on down. Way to go. Hey guys, do you want to eat that? You're fine to eat it. The chicken's safe. Okay, wait, I want to do one more thing in here. Come on. Can I borrow that? Thank you. Here you go. Do your hair. She's not gonna eat it. Don't worry. You guys are. Yeah. Hold it. Pick it up like you're gonna eat it. There. Open it. Thank you very much. Hi, everybody. Okay. Go. Yeah. Way to go. Everybody, you guys rock. Thank you very much. We're on to the next thing. Woo! Okay. Let's go. Hi. Hi, who are you? Nice to meet you. We're doing a 10-minute challenge. Good to meet you. We're going into a classroom. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, everybody. We're going to just do a photo shoot real quick. Everybody is raising their hand to answer the question, except she's going to raise her leg, okay? This is epic. Hold it. Wait. That is so freaking cool. I love that. Thank you, everybody. Go back to class. Stay in school. Don't do drugs. Can we get to a gymnasium? How much time? 2:28. Where are we going? 156. 156. Oh, you guys are playing volleyball. Okay. Yes, here. We want the red one. Lily, listen. Do you know how to play volleyball? Okay, no. Okay. What leg goes back on arabesque? That leg. Okay. Do it again. You're gonna serve. Hi, everybody. We're just doing a photo shoot. No worries. Keep playing amongst yourselves. She's gonna serve. Come over here. Serve from here. You guys go this way. No, I want everybody in the shot. Right there. Time. Time. Wait. Can everybody be playing? Don't watch her. Play, play, play. Okay, ready, set, go. Good. Do it again. Ready, set, go. One more. That was a good one. Hold on, no. Ready, set, go. What do we have? Take this away, take this away. Get in there, get in there. You're sleeping in class. Okay, lay down. Everybody else is working and you're sleeping. Time. Lay back down. Give the legs straight up. How much time? 11 seconds. Count it down. Yes. Yeah. Wait, stop. Somebody come grab a ball. Grab a ball. Go. Good. Done. Time. Hallelujah. Woo. Rye High School rocks. You guys are amazing. Thank you for having us. Way to go.
Thank you.
That was amazing. Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm not going to detention, right?
No, you're
no,
not.
good.
You're gonna stay out of it today.
Thank you very much. This was great.
I have been pranking YouTubers all year.
What?
She's so angry! And these are the top 10 that have never been seen before.
You're really hot. Will you be my girlfriend?
It's Nadal's birthday and I baked him this cake. But first I'm gonna prank him into pushing this into his own face.
I'm going to tell Nadal that we have to take a thumbnail for his birthday vlog, and he's got to hold the cake and the 2 heavy bags. But the bags are so loaded with the sand that when Salish cuts the string, the cake goes in his face.
Ready?
No. Okay, just stay there for a second. The longer he holds it, the more. Okay, keep looking. Nadal, closer, like you're blowing out the candles. Let me see if you can do it. Don't drop the cake no matter what. Nadal, is it heavy? Okay, sorry. Okay, ready? And go. Oh!
Oh my god, Dad! Oh my gosh, I can't believe you do that to me. Oh, it's like in my hair and I'm gonna pay for that.
Sophie Dossi just released a brand new line of merch and it is gorgeous, but I'm going to prank her right now by making her think that somebody is about to sue her for stealing their design. I have a friend, Nick, who just went instant influencer with ZHC.
So I'm gonna pretend like I created her original concepts for all her merch line. I'm gonna recreate those designs on Photoshop.
Then he put it in an Instagram post that looks like it was a year ago and sent that to Sophie in her DMs, knowing she would never see it.
Hey, Jordan.
Hey, Soph, how you doing? Real quick question, this is awkward, but did you design your own merch?
Yeah.
Like, did you have anybody help you?
A little bit of help, but...
Do you happen to know if that person who gave you a little bit of help maybe drew some inspiration from anyone else? Any other artists?
On what?
No? Did you know Instant Influencer this year with ZHC?
Yeah.
The winner of that, the guy's name is Nick. He literally just called me. And he said that he saw your merch and the design of your merch is the exact same thing that he designed a year ago in an art project, and he posted it on Instagram like a year ago, and he DM'd you about it a few days ago. He's like really mad. Like he's talking to attorneys because he showed me the design. It looks like exactly the same. Check your DMs. His name is Nick's Art.
He follows me. Oh, what?
Yeah.
Tuesday? What? No, because Mom. What? Wait, this isn't a YouTube video, right? Like this for real?
Okay, it's a YouTube video.
Oh my god, I was gonna be like, there's no way. Oh my god, what? I was like, I checked for copyright. You guys can get my merch at Shop Sophie Dossie. It isn't copied from anybody, guys.
I am right in front of Pearson's house from the AMP Squad, and this is Pearson's mom and her boyfriend. But today, this is mom's boyfriend.
Hi, babe.
Hey, baby. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. One person who subscribes in the next 7 days will win an iPhone 13. Last week's winner was Sam, and he won Apple AirPods Pro. You could be next.
Hi, Logie.
What's up, Pee-Pee?
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
There are hidden cameras everywhere, and Pearson is expecting to meet her mom's new boyfriend, but she thinks he's 50 years old.
Hello.
Hi, Mama.
Carrie.
Hi, Mom.
Happy holidays. I brought a friend with me.
Hey.
This is my new friend. This is Harrison. This is Logan.
It's good to meet you.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
Pearson.
Hi.
I finally get you guys to meet him. So,
What?
we've been dating for a while.
Oh, okay. Where did you guys meet again?
Well, I was just swiping on Tinder and
I know.
Mother, you're on Tinder?
I know. I didn't want to tell anyone, but
That would, dang.
so I finally want you guys to meet him. So
Aw.
I'm gonna show him around Huntington, show him around town.
yeah, you guys have a beautiful house.
Aw,
Seriously.
thank you. How old are you?
Oh, I'll be 19 next week.
19? Holy
We like all the same things.
Yeah, he
Classic
likes-
rock.
yeah.
Aw. Aw, cute.
You guys have been talking for how long?
It's been like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna show him around. We'll be right back.
Great meeting you guys.
Yeah,
For real.
Yeah,
Go
cool.
up there. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Bro, mom's on Tinder.
He is really cute though. But not for her.
Yeah, but that's weird.
Oh my god,
That's
dude.
weird.
There's no way that they last. He's younger than me. He's younger than you.
Awesome. So beautiful up there.
Do you think it's cool if I just like jump over into the river?
Sure. You gotta be careful.
You ended up not doing it?
Yeah, it just looked a little too far down.
You got a good one, Mama. He's pretty cute.
I know, right?
Cute.
Damn. Okay, all right. We can leave that. We can leave that for the bedroom. We can leave that for the bedroom. Away from us, your children.
He always told me to be happy, you know, and just try to get out there and date. So I was
Yeah.
like, I'm gonna just do it, and this
Yeah.
is what happened.
That's awesome.
I'm so glad it did. Listen, I wanted to say this now after getting to meet you guys. Well, I just can't believe I'm doing this.
What? What are you doing?
Will you marry me?
What? Are you kidding? Are you serious? Harrison! Oh my god! Yeah, I guess, yeah. It's so weird.
God, wait, you just started dating though.
I
We're
know,
moving real
oh
quick.
And you've been pranked!
What?
You've been pranked.
Logan was in on it the entire time, and now he has a challenge for Pearson.
What? You guys kissed though! Wait, but you guys kissed!
We have cameras literally everywhere, and I just want to let you know you've been pranked, and I will give you $1,000 if you can guess who it is. But you only get one guess.
I only get one guess?
You only get one guess.
I only get one guess for $1,000,
For
dude.
$1,000.
$1,000.
This is a big prank. I'm gonna say Brent. This is by far the best prank that has ever been pulled.
Give us 200,000 likes. Maybe Pearson will help me get Brent next time. What do you think?
Oh my God, we have to.
Right now we are doing a video with Dr. Mike and we are about to prank him. I'm gonna put this in this bag like it's poop and I'm gonna say, I need to give you a stool sample, which is a poop sample. I'm gonna mix it with coffee grounds to make it look really authentic.
Can I just talk to you about one thing?
Yeah.
Okay, my stomach has been upset lately, and I know as a doctor that you see this all the time. This is awkward, and I'm sorry because we're shooting a video together.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Last time I used the bathroom, I just used a plastic bag and I did a stool sample.
You brought it?
Yeah.
This is what should I do with that?
Can you run this or something just to make sure that it like works? Like it's healthy?
I don't have the equipment. I mean, it's diarrhea. Where did you get this bag?
You can scoop a part of it out, can't you?
Why would I scoop it?
It doesn't smell like it usually smells.
Dude, why? It's
That's a prank. I can't do it anymore. I thought you were about to eat it for a second.
I've had interesting stuff happen in exams before, but this is a first.
It's good. It's Nutella.
I'm in front of Piper Raquel's house. I'm about to go in to shoot the cover for her single, which she just put out, which is awesome, but I'm gonna pretend it's not and prank her. Hunter's in on it, so he's gonna film us.
I got you.
Hunter hit a camera up there, so she doesn't know. Just we got this.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Can I touch your suit?
So, listen to the song.
Yeah.
And I don't really like it.
The one I sang?
I don't know if I take a photo and put my name on it. It's a little like K-poppy.
I mean, I wish it would.
Some people like it. It's just not really my taste.
Is everything okay?
I'll just talk to Becker about it.
What's happening?
Nothing. I just, my brand is important to me, and I'm not sure if that song is like my brand.
I literally filmed it 3 times. I mean, like, I'm actually taking this, like, seriously.
Oh, I'm sure. And I've heard your other songs, but I don't know. I just was thinking maybe I shouldn't
So
do
are you
this
trying to
person.
say that it's not good? Then you know what
I wouldn't say that it's not good. I'm just saying that personally, it's not my, jam. I still want to totally work together another time. We should collab again, but, for this, I just can't. I love working with you guys. I don't want to, ruin that. I'm just going to go. I'm not going to, I just respect you too much to I can't do this anymore.
Piper, don't get angry. You're so mad. No, she's so angry. No.
I couldn't. The song is dope. I'm sorry. Let's take an awesome cover.
Up
10
in the
million
picture.
streams. 10 million streams. Listen to this song. It's dope. That was a prank. My cameraman is right over there prepping for a shoot. I am going to go break his camera and replace it with one he's always wanted. A red camera! Yes! Look! I got you a red camera. That's a total prank. We've been pranking people all year. I just pranked him and he totally bought it. Red camera, my man. You jerk. That was the #1 most requested prank on Instagram, and he never watches Instagram, so he didn't know.
I am in Columbia, South Carolina, and I'm about to prank Lily Ketchman. This is where we're supposed to meet for a photo shoot. I'm gonna pretend that I flew to Columbia, Maryland. Jack and Afaf are in on it, and Jack's gonna signal me when I should call Stacy. We have a camera hidden on this little kiosk where they check in, so they'll never know they're being filmed.
It's prank time, baby.
Hey, what's up? How are you all doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. The gym's right around here.
They got up really early to drive here today.
So where's Jordan?
Last time I talked to him, he said he was getting on a flight.
Hello. Are you here?
I'm on the plane.
What? What?
I think I made a big mistake. I took a flight to Columbia, Maryland.
What? No!
Are you guys in Columbia, South Carolina or Columbia, Maryland? I'm totally confused.
We told him South Carolina like a week ago when he booked this flight.
Jordan, seriously, you're me right now, right? You are not in the wrong state.
How could you mess that up?
Literally.
You've been here before.
We just drove like 4 hours of traffic to get here, and you're telling me that you're in.
I'm sure I can get a flight today. Can you just wait at the gym? I'll be there in like 6 hours.
Wait at the gym?
6 hours. We can't just wait.
Bye.
Oh.
No, I can't.
I literally cannot believe he just set all of us up. All right, let's go to lunch and come up with a better video. We should go. Like,
I'm so rude.
Whoa, don't leave. Whoa. What? Stop.
Oh my God.
I
I'm about to prank Anas from the Anasala family out of $1,000. Check this out. Let's play to a game of 11. I bet you $100 I win.
Not $100 it is.
Okay? I'm going to let Anas win the $100 by playing with my left hand. I'm a righty. Whoa, look at that! 3-0. Ah! I lost. I was a little nervous, but I feel good now. I shook it out. One more round for 1,000.
Oh, we're going up.
$1,000, good? Okay, $1,000. I am now going to beat him with my right hand and win $1,000. So this time I'm gonna use my right hand. I'm not a lefty. Here we go.
So, oh, so all that you did, what? Man, this guy.
Sorry, huh? Did we not talk about that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, that was a nice shot. I'll just give that to you. Are you freaking kidding me right now? I'm supposed to be hustling him right now. Oh! What the heck what was that? You do a prank compilation video, that means you prank the people. That's the whole point. The audience wants to see a prank and you're beating me.
No one pranks me in my, oh, you take it?
What? Are you?
Dear the fans of Mr. Jordan Matter, life sucks for him today. Leave a like, subscribe to his channel. He needs it.
We're totally gonna prank Lauren. This phone, it's a dead phone. This is the case that she uses. I'm gonna go, I need to film a TikTok with your phone. I'm gonna replace it with this one, and then I'm gonna throw it into the ocean by accident. Damn. The new dare. You have to give Jordan your phone and let him record a TikTok of you.
Okay. I need you to like really try though. Like make it cool.
Okay. Oh yeah, I can.
You can't go too much.
Okay, just a little.
Yeah, just a little.
Oh my God, this is so good. All right, let's just pull myself together. Okay.
Just do whatever you feel is right. You're a photographer.
Wait, should we go that way or go straight here?
I mean,
I think maybe just straight. Okay, let's do it. Let's just do it.
Okay.
Ready? I just want to be. Let me. Oh my God!
Shut up. You did not.
Oh my God, Lauren, I'm so sorry.
I hope this is a prank. What? Bro, what? No.
You handled that so well. Thank you. That was a total prank.
Where's my phone? Oh my
Your
God.
phone is right here.
Oh my God. I was like, oh my God.
Okay, right now Ben is filming a video with Salish and the doll, so we are going to prank him. Watch this.
First question now. We only got like 1 minute because Salish is in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so first thing, how do I ask her to be my girlfriend?
You want to ask Salish to be your girlfriend?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're too young for that.
No, I'm not.
You want to ask her to be your girlfriend?
Yes.
And how are you gonna do that?
Maybe like, hey, you're hot. Do you want to be my girlfriend?
Okay, hold up. Don't say that. You're just gonna call her hot? Like what about like her personality? Say she's nice. Don't just go straight for like the hey, you're hot. I would start with like, hey, like you're really nice, you're funny, you have a nice smile. Other than just like you're hot.
And also another question, how do you kiss her? Like,
You're okay. First of all, you're too young
No.
to do that. I wouldn't worry about that. Just go straight.
No, just tell me. Like how?
I don't know. What do you want me to say? Like how?
Give me an answer. Guys, are you ready to shoot? Like, hurry up. Salish, I have to tell you something. What? You're really hot. Will you be my girlfriend? No. No? It's a prank!
What? You keep using my daughter to get to 10 million before I get there. We had to get you back.
No, I told you everything not to say, and then you said it.
Look, there's a camera.
Okay,
Here's another camera right here. Hi.
Honestly, I deserve this because Salish has been in more of my videos than her own dad. Subscribe to Jordan, don't subscribe to me. He has to be me.
Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal let Instagram control their day at Magic Mountain. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, what was that? And the first thing they have to do, according to you on Instagram, is ride the scariest roller coaster. What is the scariest ride in this whole amusement park?
It's gotta be Wonder Woman, man.
Wonder Woman? What was the scariest ride you did?
Wonder Woman.
That's 2 for Wonder Woman. We've asked a bunch of people, and apparently the scariest ride here is Wonder Woman.
I've heard about it and it sounds kind of scary.
Let's see what happens.
Hey, let's go, come on.
Go, 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 go. I posted on my Instagram this morning that we were coming to Magic Mountain, and I asked you guys to give us suggestions on what Salish and Nadal should do, and that's what you're gonna see today.
We just got here at Wonder Woman and it looks really scary. He's definitely terrifying.
Why did Instagram pick the scary one?
You just don't want to admit that you're scared.
I'm not scared.
Okay.
have to impress Salish.
Impress me?
I didn't say that.
Salish and Nadal are on this right now. This is terrifying. That was crazy fun. Look at her expression. Okay, you know what? I think they should also have to do the highest ride. What do you think?
Woo! That was not scary. It was just fun. I was terrified. I didn't scream once.
Neither did I.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I wasn't scared either.
This is reminding me so much of the video they did 2 years ago at Disneyland. My little girl was, so cute. Let's recreate some of it.
Nito, remember how we pranked my dad with the nail bracelets at Disneyland?
Yeah.
We should still prank him again with necklaces.
Yeah.
Do you think he's gonna notice?
I don't think so.
If he doesn't notice for the whole entire day, I think we should reveal it to him at the end. What should I say on?
How about I have Nay, you have Lish.
No! It should be like Salish and Nidal.
An S and an N.
Yeah. Can we get this silver heart necklace?
Can we have 1/2 an S and 1/2 an N?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. No, you don't attach it like that. Okay, go ahead, Nidal. That's like a rock star. Oh shoot, my dad's saying. Okay, put the necklace in your shirt.
Oh, my throat. I was screaming too much on the ride.
Yeah, same.
Oh, you okay? So the next challenge is, you have to go to another ride, right?
Yeah.
The other ride is way over there. So Instagram has decided that either Salish is gonna carry Nadal or Nadal is gonna carry Salish.
Woo, please say Salish.
Okay, and the answer is Nadal carries Salish.
Yay!
If you're not able to get all the way there before you do the ride, you have to go on the merry-go-round twice.
What?
Jeez, wow, you're doing it that way. You're gonna carry her all the way there? Like this? Ooh, not sure about that look.
Okay, where are we going?
All I know is it's a very long distance away. You good?
Yeah.
Did I mention this? You have to get there in 90 seconds.
You're kidding.
Go. Actually, maybe this was a bad idea. If Salish and Nadal complete all the Instagram challenges, they get an awesome surprise. But it won't be easy. Actually, let's make it 10 minutes.
Salish, up on my back.
Okay, back.
Oh, if you touch the ground, it's a merry-go-round.
Yes! Stand up, stand up, stand up.
He's taking a break. Hey, Nadal, I thought you were kind of more of a strong kid, you know? I can carry her for miles.
Okay,
Whoa, okay. I caught you or else you would have touched with your face, you know? I don't know if Nadal's gonna make it. Oh, wait, I forgot. It's actually up the hill. I was totally going the wrong way. I'm sorry. Come on, back up there. He's gonna let her go.
Wait, you said the yellow ride. So the yellow ride is there.
Oh, wait.
You're lying.
Oh, I tried to fool them. It didn't work. You guys are giving them some awesome challenges on Instagram, but I hope they do all of them because the surprise is so sweet.
You want it really going?
Whoa, jeez. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? And it's all over. He did it, yes.
Oh my God, my back. Keep going, let's go.
Another one of the Instagram challenges was holding hands, but they just did that all on their own.
You're back to my flip, you're the girl in my dream.
You're the back to my flip, you're the girl in my shit.
But you're my ass, and I don't know what it is, but I think this is it.
She knows the whole song.
Uh-oh.
This is probably Salish and Nadal right now. If you want to see all of their rides, you got to go to Nadal's channel because he's trying every single one and rating them.
Oh, she saw the GoPro. She saw the GoPro. She saw the GoPro, the lady.
It's away.
Oh my God.
No, I feel really bad. What do I do?
Oh my God, we're gonna stop. Stop, don't leave.
Go. So she stopped us at the top of the ride and was yelling at us, put the GoPro away. And I kept thumbs upping her because I put it away. But she didn't believe me. And I was like, how do I prove I put it away?
I was embarrassed. I was sitting next to her. Everyone was like looking back at us. I was like,
Yeah, it was so embarrassing. Dad! Okay, she saw the GoPro. She started yelling at us, put the GoPro away, and stop the whole ride.
She was like, don't worry, she can't stop the ride. She stopped the ride. I was like, Salish, put it away. She's like, no, we'll be fine, we'll be fine.
It was away!
Because the vote was so close, they're going to have to do the tallest ride as well.
That looks so fun.
That looks fun.
$55?
Oh, you're paying?
That's so sweet. He just bought the tickets. $55, he's 12.
Dang, that was expensive. Ouch. My bank account's hurting more than me right now.
But you're down. Aww. This is the scariest ride here.
It's one of them.
What are we doing?
No, hold on, I can't do this.
No, we don't have a choice now. You have to do it.
we jumped all the way from there. We were like 3, 2, 1. I pulled the cord, and then we went flying, and we almost flipped. And
Really? So they're going again? This time I'm definitely paying.
Go with us, Dad. Go with us, please, please.
Is it scary?
You would be so cool. It's a 10. This is the funnest one here. You would be so cool.
Suddenly my heart's out. Actually, I don't like heights. Can you tell me like how scary is it?
It's terrifying.
I have to, right? I have to.
Yes!
Do I have to?
Yes!
Rowan's nodding. Yeah, I have to.
Yes!
If you think I look scared, go to Nadal's channel after this video and find out what happens next. I just posted on Instagram, so we gotta wait 1 minute, and then you get your next challenge. Then you get to go on a ride.
Let's go. Your necklace. Oh. Oh my God. Going on all these rides makes you really hungry. $22.
It is time for lunch. Nadal got a burger with fries. Salish got because
They don't have any other vegetarian options.
Magic Mountain. Get it together for the vegetarians. Whoa! You have 2 options for how to eat. Eat blindfolded or feed each other.
Please be blindfolded.
Please be blindfolded. Please be blindfolded. And it is eat blindfolded. Okay, okay.
Coming up, a prank on my dad gone very wrong.
Whoever finishes the food first gets an unlimited budget for 1 minute at the candy store. Go.
We're both taking our time, like by a lot.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take my time.
Me too.
So you're both taking your time, huh?
Now you have to eat both of those.
All right, he ate them.
Already?
Nadal's really winning here. You got 2 little ones left. Let me see. Chew, chew, chew. Wait, let me see. It looks like. Did you just finish at the same time?
Oh, yeah, we both get the candy.
Oh, what? Wait, how did that just happen? They both get candy now.
Oh, candy.
Okay, candy.
1 minute, unlimited budget. I'm nuts.
I can't find anything I want.
You got 30 seconds. You don't want to buy anything for a stranger?
Yeah, we should.
10 seconds. They're panicking. 3, 2, 1. Stop.
4 things, 1 for a stranger.
Okay. Okay, ready? I'm now giving you 1 more minute to go buy whatever a stranger wants. Go.
Do you want anything in here? We'll buy it for you.
Is there anything I can buy you? This?
You want that? You want that? Okay, perfect. Okay, we'll go buy it for you.
3, 2, 1, done. Plushies for Sophia. By the way, do you guys like plushies? Should we do a plushie? Comment below.
Nice to meet you. Glad we won that challenge.
Very good. Before your daddy gets back, let's put one of these in our mouth, okay? And then, like, remember the thing that we did like a long time ago with the pasta? Yeah. Let's do that to prank Jordan.
Okay.
Oh, no, no. What was that? It was really chewy. Whoa!
Wait, so that's your necklace. How'd your dad not realize?
Oh, oopsies.
Do you think he found out?
I don't think so. He probably would have told us. What do you think the prize is going to be at the end?
I have no idea. Maybe you coming to Texas?
I can't.
That'd be a good.
I want to, though. Say gymnastics.
Okay, yeah, no.
Nadal is always trying to convince Salish to visit him in Texas, but she won't allow herself to miss gymnastics.
Wait, Salish, what if I talk to your gymnastics
You are
coach?
never talking to my gymnastics coach.
Why?
That's so embarrassing.
Guys, comment down below if I should talk to her gymnastics teacher.
No!
And tell her to come to Texas.
Are you guys having fun so far?
Yeah.
Rate this versus Disneyland.
This is better.
This is better?
Yes.
By the way, this is not me, this is Instagram. Should you wear one shirt together or exchange shirts?
No.
What are you hoping for?
One shirt together.
Oh, well, you're in luck. Here's your shirt. Are you guys ready? No, no, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Alrighty. And then put your arm in. I don't know about this. Your shoelaces.
It doesn't actually show up. No. Okay. Show yourself.
Now I need to watch.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. This is amazing. Salish, do it. What? Here, look, put half your hand. Look, ready?
I guess if Nadal asks her to do something, she does it. Because if I had said, why don't you get shocked? No way. And it's safe, right? I'm sure it's safe. Safe, yeah. They are having so much fun, and it is always so sweet, but it's actually hurting my heart to know that Salish is not going to see Nadal all summer.
I haven't seen Needle in a month, so I think when I'm not with him, he does crying, some more crying, and way more crying.
Whatever she does is cringy TikToks.
What do you think the prize is gonna be?
You come to Texas or we go skydiving?
Oh, you want me to come to Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cute.
Of course I want you to come.
Oh, you want to see me?
To Texas, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can go to Kalahari.
Kalahari was so fun, and that's like almost a year ago now.
Wow, that was a long time ago.
That's crazy. Maybe we should do a part 2. If you guys want it, like this video. Hudson!
Okay, totally random, but look at who just showed up right here at Six Flags 2. Hudson is filming his own video right now. He's going to 5 amusement parks in 24 hours. They're getting bigger. When they were in Disneyland, I think this would have been easier. Hey, Sandy, make my muscle look really good with a graphic. Oh! Big surprise coming up, but here's the next challenge from Instagram. Dance in public or sing in public?
Oh no, please dance, please dance.
Yes, it's dance. Dance in public. Do you remember the dance Matt and Stefanita taught you?
Wait, you went like this, and then we went boom, boom. I'm not that flexible anymore, so I can't do that.
Oh, I had to do it back. Can we make a new dance?
Yeah, choreograph one. Go for it.
Spin. You have to.
Hold on, let me show you what you're trying to do. A boom, and then you look, and then you go boom.
That's
boom,
line dancing.
Boom. That was pretty good, right?
Wrong way. You look like you're dying.
Hey, this way?
Yeah.
Oh.
You got to get it right because you're gonna have a big audience.
No.
Would everybody like to see a dance performance? A dance performance, right? Let's bring it in. Dance for your watching pleasure. Let's go! I want to introduce all of you to my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal, better known as Nailish. Nailish! I still don't ship them, but I wanted to embarrass them. Take it away.
Oh my God, stop.
Now go give some high fives. Give high fives. Go give high fives. Give high fives. Go give high fives. Stop by. Ah!
That was the coolest dance I've ever seen in my life.
And I totally didn't tell him to just say that to the camera.
He's seen these necklaces out, and he hasn't noticed anything.
Oh, I hope my dad likes these necklaces.
You mean my dad?
One day.
Magic Mountain, vegetarian over here. All she's eating is chips all day. Next challenge is this. Should they recreate the final Disneyland photo? Shocker, the answer's yes.
What was that one?
I'll give it, I'll wait for it.
Oh my God.
No!
There it is. It's the one that for the last 2 years, everybody has said you kissed.
We didn't!
We didn't.
I know, but everybody else on the planet thinks you did. There's no kissing. There never was any. You should
pretend to kiss to mess with your dad.
There's no kissing. But it's a pretty photo and we're about to take it.
Now that we're 2 years older, get out of here.
Oh, should we skip this round?
Nope, get out of here.
Oh my God.
Here, I'll lean you.
Here we go, ready? Look at him. Look at her. This is prettier, go over here. Sorry, you guys tell me which is prettier.
The other one.
Salish, you match and everything. This is so pretty. Look at that. Yeah, warm up.
Oh my God.
Wait, hi Say, by the way, when did you get that necklace? Can I see that necklace?
What? Oh, I got it, Mom gave it to me.
Oh, that's pretty. What is it?
It's just like, see?
Oh, I thought I saw a pendant. Was it a pendant?
No.
All right, Jordan, take the picture.
Wait, you have a necklace too?
No.
Oh.
It's a chain.
It's just funny that you're both wearing it. Whatever. Okay, all right, it's right there, it's good. Okay, ready? And dip. Okay, you were right, that spot's better.
Exactly.
The surprise is so awesome, I can't wait. What's the pendant though?
Nothing.
Wait, that was sketchy. What's up with the necklaces? Now just tell me. It's now very obvious that there's something up with the necklaces.
We're kidding! We're trying to prank you.
Okay, Jordan, turn around. Turn around. We'll tell you when to look. Okay, Jordan.
Okay. The smile.
I'm gonna go with that sweet. That's not even a prank. I love it.
You love it?
I know they thought I was gonna be really angry about those necklaces, but that was so sweet. You guys are best friends and now you got necklaces to say it.
Best friends, only friends.
Yeah. Look.
You guys just did a lie detector.
Why did you spit on me?
Oh my God, that was funny. Let me see.
Okay, I don't know what just happened or why that happened.
No, it's not touching that.
Salish.
That was a prank gone wrong.
Yeah.
What was that? They did all the challenges and it is time for the surprise. Salish, tell us what the surprise is.
Wait, you know it?
Yeah.
But you didn't tell me?
No. Of course I knew it.
My daughter Salish flies to Texas to surprise her best friend with one last summer adventure before school. They will spend 24 hours at the world's most insane water park. And before they say goodbye, I have one epic prank that will leave them speechless. Because Salish and Nadal love to compete, today there will be a series of water park competitions, and the loser of each round has to pick truth or dare.
I have a crush on.
This round is cheetah race. Whoever gets the best time wins.
All right, I'm ready for action. That's not your best look, Needle. I'm gonna win because I have a better strategy than you.
I think you're gonna win because you weigh more than me. Okay, let's just see.
Are you guys ready? On go, you go. 1, 2, 3, go.
you, Salish?
Salish got destroyed.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking right now! I'm gonna win the next round. I'm gonna win the next round again.
I have 2 sets of envelopes, dares and truth. These truths and dares were all given to us by Instagram. Okay, my little girl, truth or dare?
Truth.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Am I sure? Okay.
Have you ever kissed someone? Yeah.
Wait. Whoa, wait.
Well, I didn't kiss somebody, they kissed me.
What? What?
In kindergarten, this boy liked me, so he came over to me and kissed me.
On the lips?
On the cheek.
Okay, so we're clear. You've been kissed in kindergarten. That's it. You've never kissed her?
Yeah. No, not yet.
Oh! This round is Stingray. It's one of the scariest rides on this water park. First person to scream loses.
Wait, but not screaming makes it not fun.
No screaming starts right now.
You screamed! We all screamed! I said it before I got this one. And I didn't scream, I went, No, I don't want to go in the back. Oh God. I said it before. Okay, I didn't scream. Oh no. Salish, did you scream? He don't scream. He went, ah, when we were going down. Yeah, that doesn't count, no.
It doesn't count. Does it? Hold on, does that count though?
Replay.
No.
No screaming starts right now.
Dang it.
Okay, Nadal, truth or dare?
Dare, yeah.
There you go. This is from you guys. Don't blame us.
Oh God, ride the scariest ride.
Oh, okay, let's go. This is Nadal's dare, the scariest ride at the water park. It is a free fall. It's a free fall. It is a free fall. Never mind, I can't do this intro. My voice is cracking, I'm in puberty. Salish and Nadal have been best friends for 2 years, and they seem to have more fun every time they're together. At the end of this video, I'm going to give them a gift that could make them the happiest they've ever been. But first, they have to survive a crazy prank.
Oh my God, that looks terrifying. Good thing I didn't lose.
This part B is terrifying. Hold on. Oh my God, I'm about to go down this. You're about to see what I see. Okay, are we ready?
You got this. It's not gonna be scary, okay? You got it. Little tiger. Close it in. Bye.
3, 2.
Oh God, that looks scary.
Oh my God, that looks terrifying.
That's so fun. That was literally the best. We got Salish in 4K going. I love it. Wait, watch the footage, play it.
Okay, let's go, Salish, let's go back down.
No,
What?
I want to go on it, but first you do.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Dad.
No. You're girl power, you don't need me. Look, it's okay to admit when you're scared. I'm scared. If you want to do it, you can do it.
Wait, I have to feel it. Oh my God.
Wait, that was my dare and Salish wants to do it.
I think you can do it on your own.
I need Needle up here to support me.
I'm here.
I need Needle. Girl power, maybe? I'm not so sure. Wait, I don't know if I want to do it.
If you don't want to do it, obviously you don't have to do it.
Okay. Go. Wait.
You got it. You got it. Go get him. Oh my gosh, my little girl. That was so brave. She didn't even have to do it.
How scary was it? 1 to 10.
10.
You guys have 1 minute to hide anywhere in this water park. First kid I find loses. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, come on. Let's stay together, okay? Oh my God, we only have 30 seconds. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
You know, how about the cabinets? Where? Try to fit in there. Try to fit in the trash can. That's where you belong.
Get in there, Salish.
You get in there.
No, you get in there.
If I can't find him in 5 minutes, neither of them loses, so I gotta hurry up. That would be a great place for her to hide. This place is huge. I'm already out of breath.
Let's go up a lot of stairs because my dad probably can't climb all of them.
Yeah, Jordan's so old.
Oh my God, this is so tiring.
Oh, I hate stairs. This way.
I think that way, but okay. Needle, duck down. My dad can see us from that.
No. Ah!
Okay, now I'm looking for my dad.
Wow. They can literally be anywhere.
Oh my God, Nito, I see him, I see him. Come on, I got the good hiding spot. I see it, I see it. Oh my God, you've said that 3 times.
Hey, Sandy, I just want to say something. Yo. Oh, that's fun. I like that.
Go all the way under there. Wait, if we both get caught, we both have to do the truth or dare. Oh my God. Sailor, she'll see you. I got a better spot. Are you sure?
Have you seen 2 little kids?
I haven't. Guys, Nito wants to switch places, but my dad is like right over there. I guess I'm trusting him on this one. And I don't want to leave him because I feel like he has smarter ideas. You know it's not hide and seek tag. He just has to see us. I know that. Guys, this is so stupid. Why am I listening to him?
I'll bet you they hit up here because they think I'm an old man. I don't want to walk 10 stories up. Yeah, let's show them. You guys think I'm old? This could take me an hour. Just which way to go?
Wait, Nito! I just heard him. I should not have yelled that loud. Nito, the other spot was better. What is my head look so big in this GoPro? Because it is. Oh guys, I think I heard him from the bottom of the stairs. Oh my God, I saw him, I saw him, I saw him.
The question is not whether I can keep up with them, is whether or not Sandy can keep up with me. I'm going to get him now.
Duck, no, more. Oh my God, guys, he's coming, I heard him. No! He found us!
You're hiding together? You thought that you wouldn't have to do a consequence.
Yeah.
Instead, you both have to do it.
What?
Let's go, let's go.
Oh wait, you're in the wrong seat. Get over. Okay, there we go.
You guys both just lost, so you have to pick together. Do you want to do a truth or dare?
True.
Nadal, read your truth.
Would Nidal date Salish in the future? Obviously. No.
Okay, all right, we're good.
Yeah, you thought, I saw your lie detector test, Salish, and I saw that it said you have a crush on me.
Do you see yourself dating Nadal when you're older?
Oh no. Yes. It said that I would date someone in the future, not you.
No, it said
next day.
It said, does Nidal like Peyton?
Nidal like Peyton? Oh, wait.
One of you is gonna have to call your crush. What?
I can answer it. I don't think he does, do you? No, he doesn't. It was just a joke.
That was it. Everybody's like, oh my God.
Yeah, I know. There were a lot of
Peyton. Guys, I do not have a crush on Peyton. I have a crush on... I'm sorry. No!
Okay, you know what? I don't like this conversation either. Let's go on to the next round. As you know, Salish and Nadal are both very active, daredevil kind of kids, so wait until you see the surprise at the end.
What do you think the surprise is? We've had Ice Slide, we've had Disneyland, and now we have Water Park. I feel like it's gonna be like skydiving.
I feel like you're gonna get a VR set so we can play together.
Oh yeah, that would be fun. Come on, let's go.
Next challenge, they're gonna climb this wall.
Whoa!
These kids have something they want to tell you.
What? I should nail it!
Well, I know. I don't know if I should say thank you. I don't know.
It's really sweet. I like the ship accounts.
Yeah, I like ship accounts too. Yeah, as friends.
Maybe one day.
Wait, whoa, what's that supposed to mean? Hey, Salish!
Go Nailish! Go Nailish! Okay, you win, maybe Nailish.
I think he's gonna win because he's like more of a parkour and I'm a gymnast, so I'm gonna be like focusing on my technique, like.
I'm literally Spider-Man. Yeah, I'm for sure winning this thing.
Is this bugging anyone else? How confident this kid is? I want my daughter to beat him so badly. First one to the top wins. Loser gets truth or dare.
Girl power! Oh, girl power! You're going down.
1, 2, 3, go.
No!
Go! Hurry! Go! Go, say! Go! Oh no, you might win anyway. You got this! Go!
No! Yes! I won! No! I touched his hand!
Oh, she lost!
Victory!
Good effort, though, good effort!
That's so tiring. He can have that round.
He's Spider-Boy. Actually, Spider-Boy. How are you supposed to beat him? I'm sorry, I so thought you were gonna win that. Good effort.
I'll do it.
Good effort. Okay, moving on. Truth or dare, say?
Dare.
Dare! Okay, dare.
You don't have to carry me on his back for 5 minutes?
All right, as long as I'm carrying her, I'm gonna play some games.
How about that one? No. Look, this one. Well, I want to play too.
Okay, she's on my back.
Here, no, I control it. Whoa. You gotta get first place, you're in 5th. Stop crashing.
I'm not crashing.
When Nidal gets his license, everybody should stay off the road.
It's 5 minutes up.
No,
I'm not sure I'm crazy about this dare.
Let's do a photo. Yeah, a photo on this side. I want to be able to.
Ew, why does your face look so ugly in that?
Tish, I got an idea. Let's take a couple more pictures.
Okay, you guys aren't allowed to see it.
It's ours.
What are they doing? What did you do?
Nothing.
That looks suspicious. Let me see, let me see.
Here you go. Here you go.
Next round, mirror maze. You guys have 2 minutes to get through this thing or you both get a consequence. Let's go. Oh, oh, I'm good. Ow.
That was dumb. Okay, sit down. Salish. Which one's the real Sandy? Oh, wait.
1 minute, hurry.
You know, I see you, but which one is you?
Salish. No, it's this way. Oh.
No, it's this way.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I thought that was a mirror. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? I swear I thought you were a mirror. Oh, no.
1 minute.
Yes!
You got it.
So I hit the mirror of Salish, but it wasn't a mirror. It was actually Salish.
No consequence, but maybe another black eye.
Salish, I'm so sorry. Like, oh! Salish, wait. No, replay that clip.
They have completed 5 challenges, but this last one is the biggest prank I've ever played on this channel. But if they do it, they get an awesome surprise. The first kid to move their feet loses. Starting right now.
What's happening?
Everybody shaking us.
No!
Everybody shaking us. Wanna know
They're not.
My name is Neat Doll.
My name is Salish.
You all know us better.
No!
Sun shines bright and it keeps us warm.
Oh my God, no.
Acrobatics every day.
California's where we play.
They're right here. They're right here.
Creating famous couples that you know you can't handle. There was got cotton candy.
But as we
Everybody, they're right here.
doing our thing. And this is why we're gonna sing. Everybody shipping us. Do we ship too? Everybody shipping us.
Everybody is walking together.
Everybody shipping us. Maybe we're just friends.
We're just friends.
How was that? Today, my dog Boomer is going on a series of dates with famous dogs to find his crush. Will it be true love or a total disaster? Hello everyone. My little dog Boomer has been spending a lot of time on Doggy Match lately. He is looking for true love. He finally found 5 dogs he would like to meet. Hopefully one of them will become his crush. Let's go meet Urkel. Okay, Boomer, this is your big day. You excited? He's so excited. My little Boomer's first date. Your first date? Okay, this is your first date. I know you're probably a little nervous, but she's so sweet. We're starting with a really nice dog. Let's go meet Urkel. Come on. What a pretty dog. I don't think this is gonna work. All right, thanks so much. Nice to meet you, Urkel. Okay, bye. Boomer, I am so excited you picked Honeydew. She is so cute. I feel good about this, Boom. I think it's gonna be a match. Let's go meet Honeydew. Look at these two. You feeling a little shy? And this is your first date. The other one didn't work out so well that first time. Oh, that's not a good sign. Maybe it's just weird that I'm like right here. I'll be right over here. I think they like each other, but I can't really tell. So let's try a compatibility test. Food compatibility test. Number 1, let's see if they like apples. Here you go. Boomer, do you like apples? I don't know if you like apples. Honeydew likes the apple. Boomer, you can eat your own apple. Would you like that? That's actually a really good apple. So Honeydew's going after the apple. Boomer, not so much. Boomer, do you like celery? Let me see. You might want to at least eat a bite because you got to be kind of compatible with the vegetables.
Okay, you have celery breath.
Let's see if she likes banana too.
You're so cute. Do you know that about you? That was awkward. I was kissing Boomer's potential date. Yeah, Honeydew, he likes banana too. I think this could work out. Watermelon? She was just like wanting to talk and hang out. She just, I think overall they're pretty compatible with food. So the next step would be for Boomer to meet Honeydew's sisters. And if they like him, I think they should go on a date. Honeydew, what about you? Whimper if you want to go on a date with Boomer. Okay. Okay, Boomer, we're about to meet Honeydew's sisters. If they like you, go on a date. Ooh. I don't know what they're saying, but that doesn't sound good. Okay, okay. Maybe a dog with no sisters. Oh, look at how sweet this dog is. Are you Nova? Hi. I think they need something to bring them together. I'm gonna do for their compatibility test a couples photo shoot. How hard could this be? Whoa, okay. Okay, lights over here. You guys need to know your mark, okay? You stay there. I'm just gonna get a good, okay. Nova, sit right here. This is harder than I thought. Boomer!
I'll show you how it's done. Stay. This is more like brother and sister.
I've got rose petals. They're so cute together. You guys like each other so much. Okay, maybe it's not a match. Boomer, are you excited for this one? Are you excited? Because Mealy's a really cool dog. Okay, I think this is the one. Look at that house. Just be cool, okay? Just be cool.
Hi!
Hey, Lizzie, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful. This is Boomer.
Hi, Boomer. Millie will be out in a second. She's just finishing off getting ready, but Elena will show you around and show you all of Millie's things.
Let's go upstairs to Millie's master bedroom.
She has a master bedroom? Okay.
She likes to sunbathe by the pool, cruise around town in her Porsche. She even has a full line of designer clothing in her custom bedroom suite and her own pink dog park.
There she is. Hi, Mills.
Boomer, this is Millie. Millie, this is Boomer. They seem to be okay.
Yeah, I think they like each other.
Yeah, look.
So, wow.
They like each other. Look at that. Oh my God.
No way.
I think they're gonna get along great. Millie is pretty picky about her boys.
Boomer has not matched with anyone yet.
Oh, well, I think this one's gonna work.
Well, it's important for them to be able to keep up with each other, so for the first compatibility test, we're gonna do a race.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, Boomer! Come on, Boomer! Oh, it's gonna be close! It's gonna be close! Yes! That was so good! Wait, they both went to you? What? Well, I think this is going great.
They are really cute
They
together.
are. They're awesome.
But there is one more thing that Millie loves to do,
Okay.
and it's to swim in the pool. So if Boomer can do that, I think they would be the perfect match.
What if he can't? Hey, Boomer, you know how to swim? Okay.
Okay, I'll be on the other side. You ready, Millie?
Ready, Miss?
Go!
Okay.
Good girl! Come
Okay.
here.
Okay, look, I'm obviously not gonna force you, but do you wanna go in? Go in!
Come on, Millie girl! Good girl!
Whee! Look, there she goes.
Good girl! Come here, baby!
Go in, jump in. No, Boomer.
Good girl! Oh, good girl! You did it! Good girl, Millie. Where's Boomer? guess he doesn't like to swim.
I finally figured out the problem. Boomer needs a new look. That's right, everybody. Boomer's getting groomed. Oh my God. This is the last date, so we're gonna really go all out and give you a candlelight dinner for two, very romantic, with the one and only Callie.
Hi guys.
Hey, Simone, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Wait, are you excited for your little date?
He's very excited, can you tell?
I'm excited. This is gonna be Callie's first date.
Awesome.
All right, I'm gonna get her dressed and we'll see you at dinner.
Awesome. I'm gonna get him dressed. This week's featured subscriber is Anaja Morgan. What did you win, Anaja?
T-shirt!
A t-shirt! Everybody subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video. You could be next. All right, Simone, let's get ready for dinner.
3, 2, 1.
Are you guys ready? Tonight's first course is homemade pasta with pumpkin sauce. Here's some pumpkin. They really want to get a room, maybe. Okay. Okay. All right.
Do you like your pumpkin?
Yeah. There we go. It's so sweet.
We just got you groomed and you have pumpkin all over your face.
No, Callie, let's just not. I don't think he likes that so much on the first date. Oh, the chef brought over a special something. It's a little peanut butter on your pasta. Oh yeah, now.
Whipped cream, and I'm glad she likes it.
Let's see what happens if we move them a little closer together.
Food are touchy.
I need a photo.
They have it on their face.
Okay, I think they've probably had enough whipped cream.
They look like they're in love. Aw, they're so cute.
Aww. It was like they looked at each other and then they had to look away real quick. It was too intense. No, they are crushing. Well, I think that went very well, especially given what happened when they first met. Thumbs up if you want to see a second date, because you never know what's going to happen. $5 for a selfie with Abby Lee. Abby Lee Miller of Dance Moms.
Wait, garbage!
Oh no!
Criticize my appearance. Criticize how I dress. I feel like you owe me an apology. I've been waiting for it for 2 years.
Hello everyone, I am on Santa Monica Beach with the one and only Abby Lee Miller. She's made a good living talking for hours.
Yelling.
If she's able to stay silent for 24 straight hours and not say words.
What do you mean I'm not allowed to talk?
Okay, here's the deal.
I'm not allowed? You're not permitting me?
We are
America.
going to, how hard is it?
24 hours?
3, 2, 1. Let's just take a minute and, wow, appreciate this. This is incredible. If Abby Lee Miller can stay quiet for 24 hours, she gets a massage by the one and only.
I was gonna flirt with him and I was gonna make him turn red. Not just his face, all the way. But I couldn't talk, couldn't say anything. I need to, the witty repartee.
Abby, we have a special guest today. Presley Osbach!
I got in trouble on the very first day of Dance Moms for wearing plaid pants. So today I'm wearing bright yellow, baggy plaid pants that cut off at the ankle, which she hates.
Woo! She's a skateboarder now and a dancer.
I mean, a dancer on a skateboard, one accident, stupid. Your career is over. I mean, look at me. I wasn't even on a skateboard.
Looking at your profile pic right now, and I think you need an update. I've got a special guest that's gonna help you get a really awesome profile pic. One and only Solo Flow. Hey, Saul. Saul.
I'm gonna pretend to be on my phone the whole time and kind of like ignore what she's saying to irritate her.
Saul, dude, look, he's always on his phone. Oh, there it is with the selfie.
What do you think of those shoes? When you're ready, could we have a flip over? Yeah. I want you to jump off this. Boom. I'm gonna use a low angle, which she hates, and post a photo on her profile pic. She's not gonna like that. Okay, I'm gonna shoot straight up at you because I need him in the sky. So I'm gonna get low and straight up. Okay, and then we're gonna put it on your profile pic right now. And go, Solo. Yes! Okay. Thank you so much.
I mean, somebody buy the kid a pair of shoes. He keeps losing one and he has to use a different one and it's just sad.
Money, passport, credit card, here. Is this all necessary? We'll decide later if that's necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that photo of Solo on your Instagram profile. And I'll just hold on to this in case I need it for anything else today. Thanks, Ab.
I'm gonna run up and take a picture with Presley and I'm gonna act like I don't know Abby Lee and she can't say anything. I'm gonna see if it really makes her mad.
Presley,
oh my gosh, is it Presley from Dance Mom? Hi, you're my favorite part of Dance Mom. Thank you so much. Do you wanna take a picture together? Oh, can you just take the picture for us?
So nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you.
Do you want a picture with her?
No.
She hasn't bitten yet. We gotta up the ante. Abby Lee hates it when people make money on her, so I'm going to charge $5 for selfies and keep it for myself. Who wants a selfie with Abby Lee Miller for $5? Only $5. Only $5. Abby Lee Miller selfies right here. Oh, you would like one? Oh, you want 2 selfies? Okay, so that'll be $10 for me. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're gonna help me pay my kids to college. Okay.
Okay, so obviously nobody actually has to pay. We're gonna give them the $5 just that Abby thinks that they're actually paying Jordan for a selfie with her. Let's go.
So you got your 5 here. Okay. First we take the money, then the selfie. I am making so much money. Thank you so much, Abby.
I think I should take a cut of this.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Thank you.
Who wants a selfie with Abby Lee? $5 for a selfie with Abby Lee. Abby Lee Miller of Dance Moms for $5. Who wants a selfie? Would you like a selfie with Abby Lee Miller? $5 right there. $5 selfie? No. Okay. Come on, Abby. I got kids to pay for. Oh, $10. 10 more dollars. Abby, I'm raking it in. This is great. This hurts. I don't want to take this money from this kid, but I will. Okay, go ahead. Take your selfie with Abby Lee for $5. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Are they both in it? Yeah, that's gonna be $10. Can I have another 5?
Can I flip for a selfie?
As long as you give me $5.
All right, $5 in a flip.
Whoa!
There you go.
Yeah, okay. Oh, you guys look like Abby Lee fans. Oh, yes. $5 each. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, no, don't get that near her. That's my money. Thank you very much. Go ahead, have your selfie.
I never charge a kid to take a picture with me. He's collecting $5 and putting it in his pocket. That's a perfect example of people making money on me. The network, the producers, the production company.
Wow, we made a lot of money. So we made $200. So here's your cut of $100.
Thank you, thank you.
Go. There you go.
A lot of money.
A lot of money.
Buy a lot of things
That
with
was
this.
awesome. This week's subscriber is Carly Sotis. Usually we give away AirPod Pros or a photo shoot with me, but this week we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna give something away that's Abby related. A free dance lesson from Abby, dinner with Abby, sleepover with Abby, 24 hours with Abby. She won $1,000 from Abby. Abby, oh, that is so great. And you know what? Here's 20, there you go, American Express card. All right, so we'll just use this to give Carly $1,000 of Abby's money.
Like, I'm actually gonna give the kid $1,000. Come on.
No, that was real Abby.
Wait, what?
Subscribe, share this video, hit post notifications, could be you next. Do you want them to subscribe to you? Just tell them.
I got some great advice for Abby. I don't think she's gonna like it though, so let's see her. Okay, Abby, I have some career advice for you. So people have been calling you mean and that you yell, correct? So career advice is don't do that, okay? And work extremely hard for free, okay? Because that's the way to do it. That's how you make the money, is you do it for free, okay? And most importantly, get a hammer, smash your TV. TikTok is what you need to be focusing on. All those TikTok dances. You don't know what you're talking about, just do TikTok.
Who is this kid? Who does this kid think he is?
This is Brian, he's a subscriber to our channel. He and his family are gonna walk really slowly in front of Abby's wheelchair so that she can't get around them. She hates that and she can't tell him to get out of the way. Abby, we gotta get to our next location. Hurry, come on, let's go. Abby, hurry, let's go. Abby, we're missing our next location. Come on, hurry.
Miss Abby, we're running late.
My wheelchair goes 7.9 miles per hour. Spatial awareness, people.
Ready? Such a slowpoke.
Normally, I would say, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, but I couldn't talk. I wasn't allowed to talk. This is just like Dance Moms. I just got paid way more money.
Well, this is all Abby's merch. Abby, tell them about it. No? You don't want to pitch your merch? You can sell your merch right now. It's all free. Come on down to the shop. You can get it all for free. Right, Abby? For free.
You can get all that merch right here.
We have not gotten her to talk yet. We're gonna do a 5-minute photo challenge. We're gonna do some things wrong. We're gonna do some nasty things. You all know how much Abby loves beautiful dance photos, so we're here. By the freeway overpass. When I say go, we go. Are you ready, Abby? Are you ready? Are you ready? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Go, Presley, take off your shoes. Take off your shoes, hurry, take them up.
No problem with bare feet, except if you're outside in Los Angeles on the street. How many pieces of chewing gum, wads of chewing gum, shoes, feet, skateboards, dogs? You know what I mean.
Yeah, that's beautiful, don't you think? How was your foot, good? Yeah, okay. Ooh, trash can. Lay on top of the trash can. Yeah.
I could call her mother trash. I probably have. But Presley on a trash can? No way.
Hop up here and arch back on the trash can.
This is so disgusting.
It's wet?
Wet garbage.
Oh, oh no. Oh no.
Okay, okay,
Oh no. Okay, the hair. The hair's in your face. That's perfect. Come on, make it beautiful. There we go. Arch back, press like you're sunbathing. Oh, it's so pretty. Watch out. Oh. Yeah. I want you to do a leap in the middle of the street. Leap in the middle of the street. Does that sound good? Yeah, okay, here we go. You could end all this just giving us a note right now. Can all be over? No? Okay, and then she's gonna go leap in the middle of the street. Middle of the street, here we go.
It's rush hour. We're right next to the 405. He doesn't realize, that the cross traffic is making a left turn. I mean, how hard is that to figure out?
We got time for one more shot. One more shot. Hey, Abby, tell me if you need time to break. Just let me know if you're not ready. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pay this meter, okay? Yeah, exactly like that. Okay? I got somebody in my photo, that's okay? Nice, nice. Get all the way up there. Nice, nice, there. There. Good, 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 okay.
Hey, that was like a really good shot.
Abby, I can't get my shot. Do you have a correction? Give her the correction.
I know what they're doing with this whole sickled foot thing, but it still drives me crazy.
Come on, that's gotta get you crazy. Give her the correction and this thing. No. Wow, time. Man, even that didn't break her. Okay, she thinks this was funny, fine. Wait until the next one.
Jordan and Presley have been doing this all day and have clearly not been successful, so I think it's time we leave it to a dance mom.
I love to choreograph. I like the creative process, finding the right music, teaching the steps, and costuming, of course. She knows exactly what I mean, just by my facial expressions. I mean, doesn't everybody?
I hate to interrupt your dance class. Did you miss me? You're just gonna ignore me like I'm not here? I mean, I feel like you and I had a couple, come on, I missed you so much. I haven't seen you in so long. She's full of it. I know that I was your favorite mom. I know, right? Yes, yes, see? She hates the way I dress, she hates the holes in my jacket. Don't pay attention to your mother. That's what she's saying. I've heard that a couple times. Well, I feel like this is a good time that I could have a real heart-to-heart with you about, our time together in Pittsburgh.
So I'm gonna bring up some old stuff from Dance Moms from 2 years ago, but I actually don't really care.
Why did you make it seem like I went ahead and changed her costume on my own when you gave me permission? You wanted her to do that solo, and then I changed her costume and you yelled at me, and then you made it look like I changed it on my own. You did me dirty, Miss Abby. You did, Abs. Isn't that what Jordan was calling you, Abs? It's a good opportunity for you to say something now if you want to clarify what happened.
And this one wants me to remember a costume that I told her not to wear, I told her to wear, I told her to change it, whatever. Who cares? When I say something and I am furious or I really give it to you, I get it out and it's over. We move on. Some of these women, they like to hold on for years.
2 years, I have been holding it in, the things that I wanted to say to you. I feel like you were really, really mean. You said some really mean things. You would always criticize me, criticize my appearance, criticize how I dress, make comments about my family and this, that, and the other thing, and I think that was really rude.
Yes, of course I was mean on the show. I mean, that was my job. I got paid to be mean.
I feel like you owe me an apology. I've been waiting for it for 2 years, and I feel like you should apologize to me.
I would love to apologize to Ashley right now, but I couldn't talk. Darn it.
You'll never change.
Well, you tried. You know, you tried.
I tried.
She tried, and I thought she had it. I thought she had it. Right? You were right on the edge. Oh, man.
So Abby does not think we're filming right now. I'm gonna try to convince her that I have a crush or a boyfriend that I wanna go on a date with that's like years older than me. So let's see if we can make her freak out and talk. I definitely don't have a crush, not dating anybody, no boyfriends, definitely not for me right now. Can I talk to you about something? Okay, so, you know, everybody my age kind of has like these boyfriends and you know, they're in this like relationship thing. And I've been like kind of texting back and forth with this guy and he is like a couple years older than me. I think he's like 16. He turned 17 in like August maybe. And he really wants to like take me on a date. So I want to ask your advice and like maybe like ask you like what I should wear or like what do you think about it? Miss Abby, you're really not helping me here. I really need advice. I don't know what you mean, you have to tell me. I see everybody else on social media and they all have their boyfriends and whatever. And you know, I just kind of want to be like all the other girls. And
No, you don't want to be like everybody.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Yes! 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 Woo! We got Woo! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Come on, the police are coming! Oh! Hello everyone, today I am in New York City and I'm going to show you how you can go viral on TikTok. Now if you've seen my TikToks, you know I can't dance. So I've had to get creative to get views. I've looked over my account and I've pulled out some that have over 1 million views each, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did those. I have set up a secret TikTok account with 0 followers. I'm gonna post every TikTok I shoot today on this account, and at the end of the video, we can see if any of them have gone viral. Now, the first most obvious category to go viral on TikTok would be trends. I've had people text me their favorite trends, and we're gonna try a couple now that you've probably seen on your For You page. Now, if you'd like to text me, here's the number. I'm really chatty, just be warned. The first trend was recommended by Leah, who told me that since I can't dance, ouch, I should do a POV, so I'm gonna do a point of view of doing a photo shoot with me. Caroline, you ready? Let's do this.
I might need some help.
The first thing we have to do is get Caroline's perspective, so we're gonna do that in stages. First, I pretend to lift her up, and she kind of moves the camera around a bunch to make it look hectic. Let's just make sure there's no police coming. Here, I'm gonna for real push you now. Then we stop and we get her up there. Mom is freaking out.
Oh my God, no.
Once she's up, she recreates the climbing up and I'm pointing furiously. I want you to get up.
I don't know how to.
Once she's in position, she pretends like I'm taking her photo. At a certain point, we put the phone away and I get the actual photo, beautiful, whoa, which I will then put in the middle of the TikTok. Then we do the funny ending where I pretend to leave her and she's abandoned on the top of the stoplight, which is pretty accurate for my photo shoots. And then I actually have to get her down in this part we didn't really plan. Then I edit the photo and video together and we post our first TikTok on the secret account.
All right, what do you want me to do up here?
Go, you gotta get up higher, get up higher.
Okay.
Look, get up there and whack it, okay?
All right.
Come on, the police are coming, hurry, hurry. That's great, hold it, yes. Yes, look forward. Good. Now look back at me, yeah, oh, that's great, I got it.
Gosh.
Good,
Okay.
way to go. Come on.
Did we get it? Oh, but.
Okay, I'm posting it right now. Let's see what happens in 24 hours. Will it go viral? Another trend, Hudson, not my kid, said Marry Me Juliet is his favorite trend on TikTok. It's very important when doing a trend to make it your own. Caroline is a ballerina, so we are going to do a ballet proposal. The trick with this trend is you need to back up smoothly, and obviously if you walk backwards, it doesn't work. We found a cart owned by this flower shop, and the dude let me use it, though I don't know if he knew what I was gonna do. I'm gonna have Caroline's mom film behind the scenes because sometimes the making of the TikTok is more interesting than the TikTok itself. We're gonna post both and find out.
We practiced a couple times to get the timing right, and then when Caroline is ready, I laid down on the cart, ready? And Hudson pulled me backwards. We're gonna post this now, and we're gonna try a bunch of hashtags, because that helps you get on the For You page. A lot of TikToks are done in people's houses or in their yards, but I really like an urban environment because it has a lot of chaos around it and just looks different.
I have to go back to school soon. Want to know what's going to make that a lot easier? Jordan Matters merch. He's got a whole back to school collection and select items are available this week only. They are so cool. Link in description. ShopJordanMatter.com.
Trends are fun, but sometimes even better to create your own trend, right?
Right.
One thing that has been very popular on my TikTok is when I make a mess. Usually I make messes inside. That's not so cool to do right now. We're gonna make a mess outside. Can you turn in a circle on point?
Yeah, of course.
Great. Can you do that with this on your head?
Right now?
Let's see if she can even keep it balanced before it falls. You gotta film it in slow motion. Oh no! It landed everywhere but on her. I got it, but it didn't land on you. Okay, so that was a total bust because it all landed here rather than on her head. So I have a different idea.
Oh boy.
Hinge and then pour it on your face.
Okay.
Okay. That'll be awesome. These TikToks do not always happen in one try. As a matter of fact, most TikTokers spend hours for one TikTok. Luckily, my son Hudson is an awesome photographer, so he'll get the picture while I shoot the video. I want to see if she can get the drink in her mouth. What I love so much about this is that there's humor and there's beauty. She's hitting a gorgeous pose, and normally when you see this pose, it's for a beauty photo, but then she's pouring pink drink all over her face. So there's added humor.
Do we have a towel? Oh my God, my tutu.
Oh, that's fun. Check out this beautiful photo Hudson got. You do not have to go to Starbucks. You can go into your kitchen, grab an orange juice, and do this TikTok. We are so close to 5 million subscribers, so please subscribe because when we hit 5 million, I am going to post an open Zoom link, and I'm gonna Zoom with you guys for 24 straight hours, and I have a real fun surprise in mind. So make sure you hit post notifications so you see the community post and you know what to do. This trick is one of my favorites, the hair flip. I first did this trick for my book, Born to Dance. I loved it so much, I started posting it on TikTok. The first one with Addison Rae got 14 million views, but if you think that's only because it was Addison, the next one with Avery Jade got 4 million views. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it. There is a security guard watching us, so we are going to have to practice this and get it exactly ready so that when we get in the water, we can hit it immediately. The dark background's gonna end up being green. She's wearing green. That's not the ideal choice, so I'm gonna have her go change to something brighter. Ideally, we'd have a lot of time to plan this, but in this case, she's gotta jump in that fountain and start whacking it immediately. We are setting ourselves up as far away from the security guard as possible, but there is no doubt he's gonna stop us at some point. The way I feel about this, yes, we are breaking the rules, but we are not hurting anybody or even getting anybody wet other than Caroline, so I feel like it's okay. But obviously, you have to make your own choices, and if you're younger than 18, ask your parents before you do anything like this. When you do this video, make sure the background is dark, because that's how the water will show up. The water will be brighter than the background, and that will look awesome. I cannot believe how many times she's getting to do this before security comes. I got my video, now I'm getting a photo. Okay, here comes security. I want to videotape this, because this could be an awesome ending to the TikTok. You did it incredible. Thank you, sorry, we're good. Shh, don't tell anyone. But here's a few things Charlie D'Amelio told me about going viral on TikTok when I first met her. Number one, she posts several times a day and always has. Number two, engage your audience. She's always commenting back and forth with her followers from the very beginning. And number three, start your own trends. A lot of times, Charlie choreographed her own dances initially, which is what went so viral. So remember, don't just follow trends, start them. For the next TikTok, Caroline is gonna dance on point on this fire hydrant.
I don't know. I think that's impossible.
The way we're gonna do this is called a photo hack. Photo hacks are a great way to go viral on TikTok. I've done a bunch of YouTube videos about photo hacks. This one is called forced perspective. The trick to this hack is to have something very big in front of the camera and then put the person far away so they look like a little person. I think it'll look so cool if Caroline could dance on top of the little tip of the fire hydrant. Ideally, you don't want anything between the object in front and the person in back. Remember, put your own spin on it. Caroline is a ballerina, so we're going to use her skill to make this photo hack unique. Caroline breaks the illusion by coming charging toward me, which is a great way to end the video. I did a little TikTok shake there. Did you see that at the end? That one, is the one! Yes, yes, yes! There are so many great photo hacks out there. One of my favorites is putting ice on a glass table and having somebody sit under it. If you search hashtag photo hacks on TikTok, you will find plenty. Another category that served me really well on TikTok is beauty. Just beautiful things on TikTok. People love that. I'm gonna try something I haven't tried before, which is a slow motion train. Basically, I'm gonna have Caroline stay absolutely still. I'm gonna shoot the train passing her in slow motion, and I think it's gonna be mesmerizing. The trick here is everybody has to be absolutely still. Ideally, you would put your phone on a tripod so it doesn't move. In my case, I'm gonna put my elbows close to my sides so I can hold the phone absolutely still. Caroline picks a pose that she knows she can hold and not move. She holds that for a second or two. It's gonna seem like an eternity when everything is slowed down. That was so cool. This also makes an awesome photo for the photographers out there. Do a shutter speed of 1/15 of a second, hand hold it really still, have Caroline stay absolutely still and blur the train out in the background. It looks really cool. That was beautiful! Another TikTok that could be really fun is TikTok dares. Basically, you dare somebody to do a TikTok in a really embarrassing place. I've done a bunch of TikTok dares with really popular TikTokers like the Lopez brothers, Addison Rae, Charlie D'Amelio, and they all had a blast. Daisy wants to see Caroline do the Kim K dance. I TikTok dare you to do the Kim K dance in the middle of this subway.
Okay.
And I want you to really rock it out. All you have to do for this one is pick a spot where you know the person does not want to dance. It's the most embarrassing place in the world you can imagine dancing, and then dare them to dance. Oh yeah, they're going for it!
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Yeah!
What's happening?
Jonah in the house! Woo, woo! All right, it is our stop too now that we're following you.
Yeah.
TikTok dares bring so much love. Love in the house, love in the subway. Woo, woo! Caroline is a dancer, but you guys can do all these TikToks whether or not you're dancers. Each TikTok we've shown you can be done by anybody, okay? Hope you're enjoying this. I gotta get on this train. All right, everyone, have you followed Caroline on TikTok? What about Boom Matters? Are you following Boom Matters? And now, for the moment of truth, we have posted a bunch of TikToks on a secret account, and in 24 hours, we're gonna find out if any of them went viral. Let's do it! 24 hours later, and I am in Nashville shooting next week's video with a very special guest star, so make sure to watch it. And now, for the results, I'm gonna show you which TikTok went the most viral. The 3 most viewed TikToks. Number 3, the slow motion subway. Now here's why I think that happened. Watch the background. Do you see how this man disappears from the background in the window? Did you see that? He disappeared. That's because I had to stitch the two together to make it one loop. But what happened was it created a lot of engagement. People were saying, wait, did that guy just disappear? Why did he disappear? So whenever you can create engagements and get people to leave comments, you're gonna get a lot of views. Number 2, the point of view with 69,000 views and 20,000 likes. That one was popular because it's very funny and also it's unique. It is a trend that I made unique by using my own personal style of photography, and I think that's why it was successful. The number 1 TikTok that went the most viral was the hair flip. That one got 114,000 views and 51,000 likes, which is a big ratio of likes to views, and I think that there's 2 reasons for that. It's something we weren't allowed to do, and we got busted by security, and also it's a beautiful image of a slow motion hair flip. I told you this one would be popular, and it was. I ended up with almost 4,600 followers and 90,000 likes. I started with 0 followers and 0 likes, and I posted 8 TikToks. I'd say that's pretty viral. There's a new game show called Bracket, and on Sunday, I'm going to be featured. If you download the app, you can make money by guessing my favorite YouTubers, and I am definitely spilling some tea. Also, by playing, you can help me raise money for my favorite charity. So go download the app right now, link in description. I will be stuck in this box with 100 mystery buttons until I push the one that allows me to escape. The rest of the buttons lead to random punishments by my daughter Salish. There are also 5 brutal dares by the Piper Raquel squad.
For this round, Salish gets to dump Boomer's poop on your head.
And 1 mystery guest you'll definitely want to see. One of these buttons actually says switch positions, so if I hit that one first, you're getting right in here and I'm gonna dump some serious stuff.
I'm leaving.
I'm just gonna be in here alone. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, can't you just, ow. Whoever came up with this trend sucks. You guys decided what is about to get dumped on me because I did an Instagram story and you gave a lot of suggestions. Hopefully you were kind.
I don't think they were kind.
That one switch positions. Boom, 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 boom!
ice cream sundae.
That's not switch position.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's a lot.
This is perfect. 1.
Oh! Oh no! What? This already sucks! Oh, what the heck?
Are all of those things not on an ice cream sundae?
However many buttons are on here, we're only 1% done of it.
I hope you make paper. That one's so funny.
I'm going green.
Flour.
Oh!
Yes. 2, 1.
How much flour did you get?
A whole bag.
Oh, no.
It looks like...
Meet and greet.
What?
Meet and greet?
Oh, Daddy. You look awful.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hi, everybody. Is this Rock Your Hair? Hi, it's so good to see all of you.
Hi, Jordan.
You guys are so talented. This is so awkward.
You guys, now's your chance to take a selfie with Jordan.
Oh no, you don't have to take a selfie. Okay, hi.
I'm actually scared. You look like a mummy.
Okay, bye. Okay, that was horrible. That was embarrassing.
You won't believe who's going to be the surprise guest a little later.
One of these is switch positions. I'm going with red.
Honey.
No.
It's a really good exfoliant for your face.
Oh God, what? No! You got that right in my eye.
If you get it in your lips, it's a good moisturizer.
Thumbs up if you think it's not fair that I always have to do this and Sandy never does. I'm gonna feel for one. I can't see anything.
Glitter.
Glitter. Oh no. Oh. Ooh.
That one wasn't enough.
That was plenty.
We should have added pink.
This is what I look like. Let me see. Oh, that's really awful.
Please be switch positions.
Discard.
Oh no.
Hey Jordan, I heard you hate pickles, so now you have to let Salish pour pickle juice into your open mouth and even swallow it. Good luck.
Emily, I thought we were friends. No!
Lean back, lean back, lean back.
Oh, it's so disgusting.
Oh my God. I feel so bad.
Marshmallows.
Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Honestly, Rowan has the best intern gig. Every week, he does something awful to me.
I spit on that one.
Ew, what? Can I hear a switch positions?
The Charlie.
What's iced? I forgot about that. Ew, ew. What are you doing? Are you spitting it on me? Oh! Oh, that was so cold.
Mayonnaise.
No. Oh! Ew.
Ew, it's like bird poop.
God, this is so disgusting. Oh!
It sounds like a fart.
I don't know how I'm gonna get you back, Salish, but I'm gonna get you back.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah. Oh. That is so not fair. I already did glitter.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs? Okay. Whoa. Ow! Oh! No!
Oh my God.
Oh, that is so disgusting. You said hot dog. You didn't say hot dog and mustard and ketchup.
I really have to pee.
Salish, if you take a break to go pee, I am gonna lose it.
This is the worst trend ever.
I think that would have also been a good... What is going on out there? They're honestly taking a break. Can we finish this video? Which one of these buttons gets me the frick out of here?
Don't say frick.
I gotta say frick, Salish. Fricking frick. Get me out of this thing. Switch positions, please.
Pizza.
Oh, ow. Ugh.
I'm pranking Jordan. I hid the switch button.
Is there actually a button that switches positions?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! I'm gonna get this kid back. I don't know how or when. I'm gonna get this kid back. I'm keeping this. Give me this towel. Ah, got it. Yes. Oh! What was that? What is hitting me?
Oh no.
Ew.
Hey Jordan, I bet there's a bunch of really gross stuff in that box, so you have to eat something off the floor.
Oh, Jensen. I got Emily and I got Jensen. I'm pranking both of you. I don't know how. Comment if you have an idea.
Oh, no, there's glitter.
I've always wondered what glitter tastes like.
OMG's! That's so
Ew.
gross.
Oh. That's for him slapping me in the face with the pizza. No!
Ew, you're getting the towel dirty.
I'm getting the towel dirty? Did you say I'm getting the towel dirty?
Book.
Book? Ow! Ow! That's just
cruel.
It's not cruel. That's the best book on earth.
Actually, it's a good book. This is Rebecca Samala's new book, The Game Master, and it's dope. And Salish and I read it, and it's good. Buy Rebecca's book. Buy mine too. Born to Dance. Okay, don't. Ah! You're the cover. She's on the cover.
Oh wait, that's the one I'm on the cover on. Buy it!
Tomato sauce.
I'm sorry to everybody that I'm wasting all this food. I'm gonna do the right thing. Just wait till the end. I'll show you how. I push the button, and then it takes what feels like hours before anything is. Oh! God, that was disgusting.
Your head looks like a meatball.
Subscriber of the week.
This week's featured subscriber is Mahika, and she does awesome gymnastics on her YouTube channel. If you want to be considered for featured subscriber, every week I subscribe to that person. You gotta like and share this video right now. Do it right now, and we'll pick you maybe next week. Oh, no.
Here you go.
Hey Jordan, I know you look pretty gross right now, so I think you should FaceTime Abby Lee Miller and pretend like everything is normal while trying to convince her to do another video with you. Good luck.
I don't.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Abby, it's Jordan. How you doing? I just had an idea for a YouTube collab.
Okay, but I don't know about that look.
I'm sorry. I will do a photo challenge with somebody, and you choreograph it while it's happening in real time. Do you have anybody that you want to work with that I might know?
Well, there's a kid, Markel Washington.
Markel Washington, he's a friend. I've worked with him several times. He's been in my videos. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see us work with Markel. Oh no! I'm obviously in the middle of a horrible video idea. Abby, I gotta go because I'm gonna throw something at my daughter right now. Oh! Oh no! 200,000 thumbs up and Abby gets in the box next. Yes, yes, yes! Come on, one of these buttons gotta get me out of here.
I have a good one.
No,
I was rolling.
No!
There you go.
Hi, Jordan. Hope you're having fun. For this round, Salish gets to dump Boomer's poop on your head. I'm so sorry.
Ew.
No. Where are you gonna get Boomer's poop?
From his walk. I walked him earlier.
Smell it. You want to smell it? You want to smell it?
Ellie, this is actually, oh! Oh, God. Okay. The only good thing is that it was a hard poop and not a soft poop.
We should do the pause challenge while he's in here.
Get me out of here. No! Not another squad there!
Sure.
Piper. I can only imagine what she's gonna say.
This is the exit button.
Yes! Yes, yes!
Since you wasted so much food, you're not allowed to take a shower until you go to the grocery store and buy a bunch of food and donate it to a local food bank.
Oh my God, I'm glad that's over. Oh, what? No, no!
I don't think this is so bad. I don't think anybody's gonna even notice. Hope you're having a good day.
Oh yeah, thank you.
I absolutely agree with Piper's idea to give food to a food bank. I would have done it anyway, just wouldn't have done it today. Hello. Here we go. Gotta make this happen fast. Get flour, chili. This is working.
Jordan, I did not recognize you. Oh my gosh, I watch your videos all the time.
You do? Maybe this one is a little different.
Give them a like, subscribe.
Awesome. All right, off to the food bank.
Have a good day. I just pledged to donate every week. I hope you guys do too. Thanks for watching the video.